Good afternoon.
Who are you? And what are you doing in my house?
Hi. My name is
said,
Robert.
Who are you? I don't care about your name. What are you doing in my house? Are you lost? Who are you here to see? Are you dumb? Can't you talk? What are you doing here?
Annie, baby, you're finally back. I thought you had forgotten about us.
Dorcas, what is this riff-raff doing in my house? What does she want?
No need for any name calling. This is Lovett. She's our cosmate. She's having an accommodation issue, so I asked her to come stay with us.
Wow. God, you didn't deem it necessary to let me know before taking such decision? Why? Because I let you stay, regardless of the fact that we're not of the same status? Is that it? Suddenly my house has turned to the place for the homeless.
Annabelle, why are you always talking about this category stuff? Yes, I know you are rich and poor. But you don't have to be so mean. I called you several times, but you were not picking any of our calls.
I have to remind you. I'm stating the obvious, so I have to remind you so you can know your boundaries in this place. I didn't say anything wrong, or I didn't say anything untrue. You are poor. That's just the truth. Please, you should know your boundaries. I don't want her here. I do not want her here.
Please. I don't want to cause any issues between you and your friends. Dorcas, thank you. I will just go and look for somewhere else.
Brilliant. You should leave now.
Look who we have here. Look at my beautiful friend. The fairest of them all. The most beautiful. Girl, you're looking pink. You're looking hot. You're looking sweet. So what's up now?
Okay, so you're in this house and you let this happen?
As a matter of fact, I told them that you are not going to find this funny, didn't I? Dorcas, didn't I? I said my friend wasn't going to find this funny, right? Right? I told them, but they did nothing about it.
So why didn't you push that she leaves? Why didn't you even call me?
Can I please have a word with you on the side?
I don't want her here.
Can you just come first? Annabelle, calm down. You see this girl there? She is a bookworm. She's very intelligent. So having her stay here will be of advantage. You see all those coursework and assignments that we can do? She's going to help us out. As a matter of fact, no more carryovers, no more delays of submitting assignments. What do you think about it?
Are you sure?
Very sure. Right.
Oh well, my mom is a renowned philanthropist. And as such, I should take inner steps, right?
Yes.
I'll let you stay. Hey, I don't want you loitering around the house. I don't want you invading my privacy. I don't want you in my space. I need you to know your boundaries. Do I make myself clear?
Thank you very much. Yes, I will stay on my way. I will stay out of your way. Thank you so much. I am grateful. Thank you. Sorry. Thank you.
Sorry.
Thank you. Promise. Thank you. Bye.
Madam, why are you still frowning? I just said she can stay.
I don't like it when you make a mountain out of a small issue. Small thing, you start shouting.
I'm sorry. No, I'm not sorry. Can I get a hug? Save it. Remember, Doc, as I told you, always use my lemon to clear your throat. Your voice is coarse. I need you to remember that.
Right.
Right? My box, please.
I'm getting it. Shh. 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 Hello. What are you looking at? Haven't you seen a fine girl before? Huh? Mop less, please. So, Annabelle, welcome back home.
My box!
I'm coming! This is going to be really heavy. What's her name? Lovette. Hey, Lovette!
Huh?
Come help me with this.
Sure.
Help me. Why you acting so confused? Help me. There, down there, yeah. Careful. I said careful.
Sorry.
Let's go. Annabelle, good to have you back.
Sorry.
If you break anything in this bag, well, this bag is loaded. I know I'm going to get stamps from it. Can you concentrate? Sure. Honey, I'm almost there. What? Don't break anything.
What are you doing here? And what's that? Were you sent to kill me?
What? No. No, I only brought you breakfast. And I've been knocking you didn't answer, so I decided to let myself in.
Wait, you decided to let yourself in without my consent? You feel it's nice to barge into my room?
No, I was knocking. I knocked.
And did I tell you to come in? Did I? I told you from the very outset that you shouldn't overstep your boundaries, and you're doing it. Don't test me, oh. Do not. Take this rubbish away.
I just brought breakfast for you.
I said you should take it out. I'm not hungry. I never asked for this shit. Take it out!
Sorry.
Take it away!
Sorry.
Do you sense?
Sorry.
Don't you ever barge into my room like that. Miscreants. Yeah, I've heard you. Okay, sir. Thanks. I've tried talking to him, but he's still asking for what I can't afford.
You see that, Mr. Peter? I despise him so much. With that his big stomach and flat bum bum. And that is ancient of these glasses that he will never change after getting money from students. That's how they will milk everybody of the little opportunity that they have. Especially you, that your mother is rich and influential. They will not rest. Every time they want to be on your case.
Well, I don't care. I'm not giving him a penny. I won't give him anything. He can fail me for all he wants.
No, don't say that now.
I don't care. I don't.
That's how you misbehaving.
Hello, baby. How are you? Are you okay? What's wrong? Oh, how much is it? 150,000 naira and you're sounding that way? Come on. I'll do you a transfer right away, okay? It's okay, calm down. I love you too. Bye-bye.
I'm sure that was Kingsley, right?
Mm-hmm. His sister is sick and he needs 150,000 naira for her medicine.
150,000 naira?
Yep.
And you're going to give him that? Yes, I know. I know you're going to give him that. Besides, it's long I last set my eyes on him. So when is he coming around again? Did I say anything bad? Okay, I'm sorry now. I didn't... Oh yeah, take. Yeah. Take now, I'm sorry. Why are you looking at it like that?
I don't think you cut it properly. Here. Take it.
I did now. Okay.
Here. That's more like it. You for real? You shouldn't be taking such from people like that, honestly.
Sometimes I just try to act like you, Hey. Oh, are you guys going out? No. We're going to the toilet. Are your eyes too tiny that you can't see the obvious? That we're dressed to go out? Are you guys getting out?
Sorry, I didn't mean to annoy you. I'm only asking because I thought we had to study together for tomorrow's test.
And who said that we forgot about the test? Huh? That's why you're here, right? To read. And that's what you're doing. So read for 3. We're all counted on you.
I don't understand what you mean. Read for 3. I mean, how does my reading alone going to help you with your own test?
Don't worry, darling. With time, you will understand. Right now, read up. Read to understand. Okay? We're counting on you again.
Yeah. Said read for 3 with emphasis. Read for 3. Okay, come and tell me tomorrow what I read it just for 2 persons of myself for 3. Okay?
How do I read for? Read for 3.
What did I ever do wrong?
What happened?
All I've shown him is love. I've cherished him. I've given him everything he has ever asked for and more. So why will he choose to repay me with a heartbreak?
That idiot, that ingrate did this to you.
Why will Kingsley do this to me?
God will punish him after eating all your money. What kind of nonsense is this now? It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Annabelle, I don't know if this is the right time for me to say this, but I have to say the truth. I don't think you deserve all of this. I mean, all this relationship stress is not what you need. You have more than enough books to read. Focus on your studies. I know your mom has money, but just put yourself in my shoe or others out there who don't have the opportunity. Stop wasting...
Madam, keep quiet. Which shoes? She should put herself in this kind of your shoes. Are you okay? Huh? What's wrong with you? Someone is here grieving. Is this how to console someone? You're busy blabbing nonsense from your mouth. Yeah, hold it. Don't say anything.
Kingsley, why me?
Sorry for yourself.
I really leave me, Kingsley. This is not good.
It's okay. Cry it out, baby. Cry it out.
I just want to go home. I just want to go home.
Go. Here. It's fine. Sorry. Oh, somebody's grieving your dear advising nonsense. Are you fine?
I'm not. How can I be fine?
You'll be fine. You'll be fine. Trust me. Let me
just get into the car. Get in.
Wait. Where do you think you're going? You?
To school.
Okay.
And please, can I just tag along with you? I'm really late. I have lectures this morning.
Did I hear you correctly? Tag where? In whose car? The same car that you said I used in chasing men and winning them over. Isn't it what you said last night?
Annabelle, I'm sorry about yesterday. Please. I just want to go.
You don't want to do anything. I don't know what you want to do, and I don't even want to know. Okay? I want you to trek Your focus is not on men, right? So trek to school.
Now, Annabelle. She already said she's sorry. Do you want her to trek to school? She's already late.
Oh, and you're sad about it. If you're so sad about it, why don't you give her your spot in the car? Let her get in the car while you trek to school. You can walk to school. It's not a problem. Please don't even enter my car. You can walk to school. You have legs. Ephraim, open the gates, please. Get in.
Lovette, right? That's your name?
And how did you know my name?
Well, if you were interacting with your classmates, you know that I'm your classmate. My name is Samuel. Well, they call me Sammy around here.
Oh.
Yes.
Hi, Sammy.
It's my pleasure. So, where are you going?
Well, I'm off to school.
Okay, let me drop you then.
Don't mind. I'm really close to school now. I just head on.
Lovette, we have a test in 10 minutes, alright? And you don't want to be late. So do I. So let's go.
Thank you.
Philo, come here. Come.
Wait.
Philo, what is this?
What does it look like?
This thing where they inside here now. Now small picking food. I be in my food with this.
Say, I don't get time for you. If as you see this food, you don't like them or you don't want to chop them, just give the food flags back to me. Forget about food today. You hear me?
Philo, yeah, let me tell you something. You are trying me in this compound, no? You they try me, oh. Ha! See, ma, I tell you something, eh? If that be your husband, no more reason am. If that's me, now your husband, you go put this kind of food down and go serve me.
Hey, stop that nonsense. What are you talking about? Which kind of nonsense husband you dey announce? As you see me so, as I fool like this, I no see anything do again. Now, to marry you. No, what's gonna make me, Philomena, marry somebody where they like you? Person when 2 legs no reach ground. As in,
I forget. I don't even know. What it gonna make me, self, even come they think of even marrying somebody like you, self? That mistake I do now, God forbid. But you see, Philo, time don't reach when me and you and madam go sit down talk this matter. I tell you, time don't reach when me and you and madam go sit down talk this matter. Because now me they do all the whole hard work when they for this compound. Now me they look after una. Una go to sleep. I go to look after easy. Somebody with my condition. I go to work. I not go to sleep for night. Una go to sleep. They snore. Then you go stand up when you want to serve me food. You go reach time to give me food. You can't get sense. Your sense just end for where pot of soup there.
I can tell you, not me do you. I don't know why you are complaining bitterly about the food. I know say they envy me.
for my position as the cook. If say as you dey here e no good for you again and you wan change position, go meet madam. Tell am say as you employ me get man, I no wan do am again. I wan enter kitchen become cook. The madam go consider maybe allow you to enter kitchen so that you go dey chop as you please you. But for you to come as I bring food to you and you be talking nonsense, you go stop. If you wan enter kitchen, enter kitchen. Go begin chop anyhow. Jealousy, jeloma.
Mrs. Iya, me.
No stop me again.
They look me for face, they talk this thing. I don't blame you. Ha! If I blame you, make I enter bathroom bath naked. I don't feel blame you. Nothing feel make me blame you. Now see finish, now you cause am. Now see finish, now you cause am. I don't blame you at all.
If you're not hungry, give me food flask, make I go.
If you don't be say hunger catch, I for just use am. You just bath you now. Just use am bath you now.
The food why I suffer cook.
I go. Yeah. If this food poor,
stupid boy.
If you pour this food.
Anyway, I no blame. See, we still get afternoon and night food. Now like this you go do before you go chop am. As I bring food, you come begin open mouth, talk nonsense. Now like this you go do chop your afternoon and night food. Me, Philomena, I could bring for one-legged man. You know they grateful. Say they cook, they suffer, they cook, prepare food for you. No problem. No, stupid boy.
Since now only like this, no, I go do a but I don't problem.
No. Can you just please stop asking all these questions every time? Must you always know what I need the money for? But don't you think I need money? I need money, and you know this. You know how much I need money. No, I am not.
Now you listen to me, young lady. I am not your ATM machine that you operate and expect cash to pop out from. No. If you cannot wait till tomorrow, then forget about it.
Tomorrow is not good. Tomorrow is not good. Please, I cannot wait till tomorrow to get this money. Hello? Did you hear me? If you can help me just send it now, I'll be very happy. Thank you. Oh, jeez. Are you sure she's going to send this money?
Rubbish.
Please, Ma, you have to take it easy on her.
Don't tell me to take it easy on her. Now, what have I not done for my daughter to make her happier in life and to become responsible? But no, she's sworn that she will see that all my efforts are in vain. Why?
Ma, do you know Annabelle is still growing up? You just have to tolerate and never give up on her.
Oh, come on, stop that. I'm not giving up on her, but she's not a baby. So she shouldn't expect me to give her anything, whatever thing she wakes up to require from me, that I will give it to her. No, she's not a child.
Sorry, Ma.
Are you mad? Get out! What will kill you is in front. Idiot.
Is that guy? Didn't you see him?
He's mad and he hits me now.
I like him.
That idiot, that one that is so full of himself. He almost ran me over and you said you like him.
But nothing happened to you, right? Meanwhile, he didn't even see you. The point now is that I like him.
Wow. That
yes.
You said you just said that guy did not see me.
No, who is he?
Is that he's one of our classmates. He's so full of himself. He doesn't even talk to anybody.
Oh, my kind of guy. I need to talk to him. I like him so much. Have you ever heard of love at first sight?
Love at first sight?
This one.
This is stupidness at first sight.
Come on, don't speak to him like that. Or don't speak about him like that. Come, let's go. And by the way, I will get him.
Annabelle, are you for... That boy...
Come in. Come on.
Wow, nice.
Yeah, nice. Nothing happened to you, remember?
No, but the guy almost ran me over and you're not...
Hi.
Can I sit?
Yeah, sure. It's a free world.
Thank you. Um, I know you don't know who I am, but my name is Annabelle and...
I know who you are, so save yourself the stress. I do.
You do?
Yeah.
But I don't know who you are.
Well, that's because you don't really, mingle with your classmates.
I'm sorry.
You don't have to apologize. I don't do well with crowd myself. Yeah. So, how may I help?
I saw you and I felt I needed to talk to you.
That's weird. In a cool kind of way, Yeah, because I didn't, see you as one that will extend the hand of friendship. At least not first.
Come on, am I that bad?
I never said you're bad. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay, looks like my attention is needed elsewhere.
Oh,
Yeah.
alright, that's fine.
It was nice meeting you,
Yeah.
officially.
Sure.
Yeah.
My pleasure. Can I please have your number?
Okay.
Thank you. What's your name?
Call me Sammy.
Annabelle. That's my number.
Okay.
Alright. Thank you. Bye. Waiter. Can I have water and milk?
I am so sorry. I'm so sorry I kept you waiting. I lost track of time. Please.
Are you really serious? You're the same person that asked me for us to meet here. Now you're coming late.
Sorry.
Look, if you're not serious, just let me know so I can find someone else.
Of course I'm serious now. That's why I said I'm sorry. Look, to show you how sorry I am, I brought this for you.
I don't need it. Let's just get down to business.
Okay.
Did you come with your notebook?
I came with the one you asked me to come with.
Okay, let me see this. Introduction. Okay.
A woman that likes to go straight to business, I like.
So this is what we're studying today. X Factor. Hope you've studied this before.
Yeah, I think I saw it in class.
In class. Do you know how to solve it? Alright. Which is why there are X passengers in a bus at the beginning of a journey. At the bus stop, 4 people got out of 6. More people entered the bus. If the number of people left in the bus is 20, how many of them started this journey? Now let's go for the solving. Quantitative reasoning. What did I say?
Quantitative reasoning.
Are you sure you're getting this?
Yes, of course. I can
Focus.
Focus.
So 24, 4K, 6.
What's that?
This is the Y factor.
Oh, is that what they call it?
I thought you said you heard this in class before.
Yeah, but I didn't really follow,
Okay. So we have 18F, 9F, and 2.
2Y.
And that gives you the Y. You're getting it.
Okay, nice.
Alright. Next question.
Hey, girl.
Why are you blushing? Why are you looking all excited? What's the update?
Baby girl, what did I tell you?
Okay.
I told you that I will always get whatever I want. Right now, I am on the track to getting something I've always wished for. How nice!
Wow. So what is that thing that you want that you're about to get?
The question should be who, not what. And he is Sammy.
Sammy. Which of the Sammys?
Wait, don't even ruin my mood. How many Sammys do we know?
Sammy. Oh, Sammy.
Yeah, Sammy.
Okay. Annie, baby. Look, babe, you just left one heartbreaking relationship and here you are, rushing to enter into another one.
Can you just please save it? And for the record, that's my past.
Okay.
My ex. This is the present and my future. So please don't even remind me of that, okay?
So Sammy is the future.
Yes, and my present.
Oh, wow. Makes sense.
I'm so excited.
Oh, wow, I am excited too. Nice.
Can I have that?
You see this one? There is jollof rice and there is jollof rice.
Okay. Looks nice.
I mean, just have a taste of it.
One more. It really tastes nice. Oh. What's that more in the kitchen?
There's still more there, but Dorcas hasn't eaten.
Who made it?
Not really. It's Love that made it. Why? Okay. What happened?
I'm not hungry. Don't have appetite. The taste of chemical doesn't taste nice.
This rice tastes of
Please,
chemical.
I actually need water. You should warn me next time, please. It's disgusting.
I'll warn you next time.
It is really disgusting. God.
No, this one. Okay. Next time I'll warn you, okay? You're not hungry yet.
Good afternoon, Ma. Ma, please, how can I help you?
Is my daughter in?
Oh, you must be Annabelle's mom. You're welcome, Ma. Just sit. Let me get you something to drink.
Oh, no. I just popped in to check on my daughter because I've been calling her line and she wouldn't pick up. So is she in?
No, Ma. You missed her.
All right. Do you by any chance know where she went? Or did she go on one of her frivolous outings?
Ma, no, she went, no, she went library. She went to the library. We have a test tomorrow, so she went to prepare ahead of it. Yes, school library.
Poor thing. Come on, you didn't have to lie to just cover her up. I know my daughter too well, more than anyone in the world. Believe me, she doesn't like reading. Even if she's highly paid to do so, she wouldn't do that. Never mind. Let her know that I stopped by. Tell her to call me.
Sure, ma, sure. I'll let her know. I will.
Thank you. All right. That girl we met inside. I mean, I met her and I had the strangest feeling. It feels like I have this strong connection with her. Just that I don't know how, and I can't remember where, you know.
Well, I think I have an explanation for that.
You do?
Yes. Well, Ma, it's no news you've met and helped a lot of people, both far and near. Maybe this young lady is a benefactor of one of your numerous outreaches.
You think so?
I mean, that's just my own theory.
You just considered you have nothing to do about it. But I think if you put extra work.
Yeah, that's the truth, John. I think I'm going to consider it. After everything, I'm just going to have a milk bath. Girl, you'll be seeing my skin and it will be popping, honest. It will be popping.
Is anyone hungry? No. You should go and rest. No one is hungry. Okay. Sorry. That reminds me. Annabelle, your mom was here. She said she's been calling you, but you're not taking your call, so she came looking for you.
You mean my mom was here?
Yes.
And you're just telling me, why didn't you tell me since? How stupid can you be? What did you tell her about me? Start talking. I hope you did not tell her I went to the party.
No. I even had to lie to her. I told her you were at the library reading, though she didn't believe me.
Yes. Your brain, the only thing your brain can carry is just books. You told her you even lied and she did not believe you. You don't even know how to lie. The only thing you can do is carry books.
Are you not eating?
Hey, I didn't see you coming. Okay, why are you wearing that? that face? Why are you wearing a gloomy face? What's happening?
You've not been taking my calls.
Oh, I'm sorry about that. I've been studying, and I have a study partner who's very strict on our schedule. Most times when I'm studying, I don't take calls. Sorry.
So are you free now?
Don't you read? Like, are you not preparing for exams? What's going on? Are you one of those that buy their ways through?
What's that supposed to mean?
Come on, it's obvious now you're from a very rich home. So I'm asking if you're one of those that will grease the palms of lecturers for good grades in return.
Now take it back. Is that what you really think of me? Like, you think I go through the easy way? You don't even know anything about me, and I'm not here to sit and explain myself to you. Go to hell.
Oh, take it easy, take it easy. Why are you doing that? What was that face for? Take it easy, baby.
And gone is the loser.
Oh, come in.
Why are you running? Why is she running?
You are the...
Now the strongest, right? Yeah.
She is the champion.
God is the loser.
This way. Oh, no, this way.
Oh God, she's a champion, and they are the losers.
Yes, we're there. Take it easy. I love your...
She's the champion. God is
I think I need to make hot water for her to take her bath.
I blame it on life. I mean, why would life lay perfection on such an unserious human being like Annabelle? She has everything. It's not like I'm envious of her. All I want is just to have a better life. I wish I can just live just a day in her shoe.
She couldn't even take her shower before sleeping again. I think you're in the right position to talk to Annabelle. For her to misuse every opportunity given to her is quite unacceptable. She's a student just like we are. And this will hamper the success of her academics.
Dorcas. Even if I was told in my dream that you would turn out to be the black sheep amongst the white, girl, I will argue. I will say no. Look at you. How can you envisage such bad wishes for Annabelle? Annabelle. This is someone who virtually carried your cross, paid all your expenses while you were busy loitering around looking for where to sleep or to lay your head. This girl stood in for you. Well, I'm not surprised. I'm not. There is nothing that you will do for ungrateful people that will always remain ungrateful. No matter how far you go. Ungrateful person is always an ungrateful person.
Okay, I know you. It is an impossibility for you to talk to Annabelle because of what you stand to gain. When you nod a yes and applaud in all her decisions. But this will not give us a perfect ending if she becomes addicted. Please move.
I'll just let that slide.
Annabelle's mom is here. What do we tell her?
I don't know. I don't know, but I believe she knows the kind of child that she gave birth to.
What are you rather suggesting?
If you lie, she's going to catch us. Let's just tell her something she's going to believe.
Like what?
Good afternoon, ma.
Where is my daughter?
Ma, she's having a preparatory class against the test tomorrow.
Yes, ma.
And you want me to believe that?
Yes, ma.
Let's go.
Annabelle, where were you yesterday? You left the house without a word to anyone and then you returned drunk.
Listen, I'm no longer a kid, okay? So I need you to understand it. Besides, you know how much I solely hate anything that detests me. Please, I'm not ready for this morning.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
That idiot. That fool. God, he thinks I'm one of those girls that he can ridicule and get away with it. Well, I put him in a place that he deservedly belongs.
Who are you even talking about? I hope you're not talking about that idiot that almost hit me with his car the other day. Sammy.
Yes, that idiot. He's the one. Can you imagine the imp saying that I'm a lazy student? But come to think of it, all because I don't open my books to read doesn't make me unserious. I have my way around. Am I not serious?
You're the most serious person I've seen on earth.
Thank you.
Why would you even say that?
I mean, I am talented personified. I'm everything. I'm really intelligent. I'm more intelligent than you.
What do you want to have for breakfast?
I said I am more intelligent than you are. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, I thought you wanted to argue.
Okay, these are some key points which you have to note. X minus X is 0. X plus X is 2X.
Hold on. X minus X is 0.
0.
So when there is X, you now minus X, it will now give you 0.
Yes.
Right?
And X plus X, 2X.
X plus X. But X is not a number now, it's an alphabet. So
there is
how
a 1 in front of every X you see. The 1 is invisible, you can't see the 1, but there is a 1 there.
Wait, so there is a 1 before every X, right?
Yes.
Who puts the 1 there? Because if somebody did not put 1 there and you write X, how did the 1 now invisibly go and stay in that place?
That's a mathematical formula. We study and learn.
Okay, so anytime I see X, I should just assume there is a 1 there.
Exactly.
Good.
You're getting it.
Let's go.
I also know that positive and negative. The negative is superior to the positive. Everywhere you see positive and negative, always make sure you put negative. Like positive 1 plus negative 2. Your answer must be in the negative formula.
I lie. You know, that one cannot work. How can you put plus, minus? You plus something and minus. Okay, if I give you 2 pen now, for example, right? It's 2, right? You now minus 1. The 2 will now go and give you 2.
Minus 2.
If I minus 2 is 0.
It's not 0.
See, I beg you, they confuse me, I beg. Okay, see, you know what? Just do it for me. Let me just go and submit it. I don't want to know how.
So how will you learn?
I don't want. The man will not ask me question when I submit it, right?
He'll ask you, of course.
He will not ask me. They've never asked questions. So just write it for me. Let me submit it. I don't have
your own
friends.
personal notes. You don't want.
I don't want to get it. Woo!
It's time to party.
Hey! It's time to party. Babe, you look hot.
Really?
You look sexy. You look creamy.
Thank you.
And then you're shining.
Thank you, darling. That's the assignment.
So should I go and get set? So I will go with you to the party. Say yes now.
Rest in the name of the Lord. Come on. You can't be coming with me every day. Today is for me, all right? I don't want you coming with me. Who knows? You might even snatch any man that comes my way. Oh, yes, true. Don't look at me like that. You're not a saint. So I want you to rest. You mustn't be walking around following me every time. You're not this handbag. Get my handbag, all right? So rest. Sit down. She's trying to teach you. Learn. Learn. Come on. Learn. Oh, gotta go. Oh, my assignments, as usual. Chop, chop, chop. Take care, darling. Oh, girls, just wanna have fun. Bye, girls.
Okay, so
Please, I beg. So what? X did what?
I don't want to learn.
I don't want to learn. What is
your exam? So
is it your name that they will write there? If I fail, say it's my failure. Let me fail now.
At least get the X plus X.
I don't want. Every time X raised to the power of 2 is 7.
It's not 7, no, it's 1.
Watch your step.
Yeah, I know what I'm doing.
I know.
You watch your step.
Don't puke. Hold on.
Carry me, I know what I'm doing.
You're doing fine.
I know that.
You're doing really fine. Yeah. Watch your step.
Oh.
One more step.
Okay, fine. Fine, I got it.
Hey.
I got this.
Easy. Just relax here. Here.
Oh my God.
I had to bring her home. I couldn't imagine her driving in this state, so we left her car at the bar and I brought her home in my own car. Sorry.
Why are you telling me sorry to me? Oh, she.
Thank you, Sammy. I appreciate it. I'll just take it from here. Just take it upstairs.
Easy now.
Alright. Good night.
Good night.
Where is he going? Come back here.
Can I take you upstairs?
I had fun. Oh, let me be.
Annabelle, let's go to bed now. I'm tired, please. Remember we have a test tomorrow. Let's go.
Now you can leave me from here.
Careful! When are you going to stop drinking?
Hello. Look, Annabelle, if you ask me, I'll tell you the truth. Huh? I think this club thing is getting out of hand. You should curtail it a little now. You're obviously doing it and it's not nice. Look, you're not helping matters here. I'm sorry. I didn't mean it that way. I'm sorry.
You better be.
So, are you not going for lectures today?
Oh, well, about that, forget about me.
Okay.
There's a way I live my life. Everything is planned and everything is under control. I don't want to subject myself to the slavery that comes with school stress. No. But everything is under control. Don't worry about me. You can go.
No, I don't even understand one thing where this lecturer talk. Like, the thing just the...
You know they pay attention now.
My head don't block. Nah, better give us drink.
Beer. Thank you. It's fine.
One thing I don't understand for
Hi.
Hello. See you later now.
No problem. The last time I checked, I thought we were not in talking terms.
Don't think otherwise, Sammy. Hey, could I have Fearless and Gala? Well, I only came to say thank you for helping me last night. Did you hear what I said?
Of course I heard you. I'm not deaf.
So what's your response to that?
What's my response? How? Your thanks means nothing to me. Okay, when I know you will go back to that mess I saw yesterday. Your gratitude means absolutely nothing. And to add to that, do not endanger your life in the name of enjoyment. You should better think, rethink, and know why you're here.
How much do I owe you?
TikTok is better than Facebook. Some person will tell me, no, that Facebook is preferred. For me, when Facebook, you post content and post content, not easy. But TikTok, they just follow you. Hey! Annabelle. Annabelle, are you okay?
Please, I'm not ready for your talks now. That ingret in there just ruined my day. And I need to just clear my head.
So what are you going to do now?
For your information, everyone, if you want to come with me, fine, but I'm not going straight home. I have to go somewhere and clear my head. Who is in or out? Huh? Okay, then fine, hop in. Huh?
I'm coming with you.
Alright, sure, hop in. You guys.
So you two had the audacity to lie to me. You told me she went for preparatory class, isn't it? For how long? I'm asking you. Take a look at the time. 12 midnight. And she hasn't returned from the preparatory class. You're not talking anymore.
Ma.
Cut your tongues, right?
It's so funny. I just want to Where are we now? No, that wasn't. This doesn't look like home.
Take a seat.
Okay. Hello, everyone. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's so funny. It's so funny. Oh my god, I need more drink. I need more drink. Where are you, Oka? Oka, is that you? I need drink. Who is this? Oh, I know you. I know you. Love it. Is she the lady that teaches psychology, or I don't know, I think there's this course in school.
Pictures are not helping matters at all. You in particular. I mean, how could you be so heartless to accompany her out? You got her drunk and you call yourself her friend. Really? Not nice.
Not nice. Not nice. Not nice. Ah! Oh my god. Oh.
Let's go inside. Okay?
No.
Come on,
this is bed. This is my bed. Just leave me. Let me alone. Let me alone. This is bed. Are you okay?
Let's go inside. It's okay. Let me help you
Go
inside.
No. My head is turning.
It's
I
okay,
think I'm not in the right place.
No, let me take you.
Wait. You should be mad. Where am I? No. I'm in the wrong place. I'm in the wrong place. Where did you bring me to? Take me home. Take me home. I don't know anybody here. I don't know. Help! This is not home. Take me home now. Take me home.
The handwriting on the wall is acceptable enough. I think first thing tomorrow, all are leaving this house, and we all wanted it.
Leaving which house? What exactly are you saying, Dorcas? None among the three of us forced Annabelle to become an addict.
And you think her mother will be kind enough to allow us to continue living under this roof when we, her friends, are not helpful? You must be kidding.
Look, Annabelle is very self-centered. We all know that. Okay? There is no possibility of making her see the damages our serious disposition will cause her in the future.
I disagree with you, Oka. In this particular case, it is a game of full chance for you. You are Annabelle's favorite. You are closer to her more than any of us. You could make her do better, but no.
Look, Dorcas, I would take any other thing from you, but you categorically pointing fingers that I am gaining favors from Annabelle that you are not gaining. What's the meaning of that? Are we not Annabelle's friends? So tell me that thing that I'm gaining that you are not gaining.
Please, please. Can you just stop? Stop.
No, let me tell her now. Let me tell her. What is that particular thing that I'm gaining that you're not gaining? Why are you hell-bent on making me look like the bad person?
Okay, it's okay. It's okay, Dorcas. It's fine. Let's not lay blames at this point, please.
But that's what she's doing already.
Can I talk? Look, Dorcas. Uka, we all have benefited from Annabelle. I know she has her shortcomings, but then she has been so kind to us. In fact, we are living in our own house. We need to look for a way forward. The issue is who and where do we go to?
Good morning, Mommy. How are you? Now you listen to me. And listen very attentively. Heaven bears me witness that I have tried everything possible to give you a promising future. But you have decided to besmirch my reputation by becoming useless in the school. Hey, now before you do that, I have decided to stop. I repeat, I have decided to stop sponsoring your education. Hey, don't think I'm kidding. I mean every word to the last letter. What? Hey, there is absolutely no need for your pretense. All I need you to do right now is go in there. Pick everything that belongs to you. We're leaving. Leave. I need a private moment with my mom. Leave. Go. And what are you still doing here? I said leave. Shoo. Go. I need to talk to my mom. She's not going anywhere. Hey. Go up now. Pick everything that belongs to her and break it down.
Okay, Ma.
I have never failed you in life. And I will not allow you to fail me as my daughter. I will never. Come on, this is embarrassing. If you utter a word, the door for you. I'm asking you!
Offer. What happened to Madam Pikin?
No, carry this your left leg, go sit down. They find waiting happen, madam.
Oh, sorry. I forgot to know where.
Mom, what am I doing at home? When I'm supposed to be in school studying. What, Mom?
Oh, you want to be in school studying?
Yes, please.
You will not step your foot in that school till you have changed completely. If you don't want to change, then forget about schooling. Is there any other thing? If it's about school, cancel.
Mom, I'm missing a lot of tests. I'm missing a lot. Shit.
You sent for me.
Yes, I did. Mirabel, I know who you truly are. You're just a PA, not an advisor. You're a PA that just advises my mom and supports her in her company and not her family.
Yeah, well, I'm a professional in my job. And I know the ethics entailed in it.
Will you shut up? Shut it, Mirabel. I know who you are. It was your advice that mounted my mother to bringing me back to this house. All because of you. And right now you have to reverse it. And I want it today.
Annabelle, for Christ's sake, I had no say in whatever decision your mom took. So please.
Chronic liar. That's who you are. Listen, do not test my temperament. Else, I will make here a living hell for you. Don't test me. Do it today. Right now.
Excuse me, please.
Get out. Today, Mirabel, today.
Auntie, you shift now. Shift.
Give me space. Let me breathe.
It is time you stop calling me auntie. What is all this?
I should stop calling you auntie. You should be grateful that I'm even tagging you as an auntie. You should be tagged, Mama.
I beg, call her.
Shift, come out for road, man. Not the one that is doing me. What is it now? Shift, come out.
Skin, pick up.
As always, this is the problem I have. Since she left here, her phone will be ringing and she's not taking calls.
I think the phone should be with her mom.
Yes. She has a point.
So then, what are we going to do now?
There is nothing to do other than paying her a visit and talking some sense into her.
Look at how you're making emphasis, some sense into her. If you want to give me a point, say it brightly. Say it well. You don't have to lay emphasis by doing that. Besides, I doubt if her mom will even let us in the house.
Anyway, I love what Annabelle's mom did. She needs to be handled in a way that will make her go back to her right senses.
Yes. Dorcas, you have a point. I mean, I support you 100% on this. Annabelle needs to be taught some sense. This whole thing was getting out of hands. I mean, it was way too much. Skipping classes, keeping late night, smoking, drinking to stupor, all those crazy things. I don't know how she's able to do them. I mean, indulging in all these irrelevancies was just totally inimical to academic performances. So I am really happy. I am happy. You can sigh for all you want. I have said it and it's the truth.
That's all you know how to do.
You're a very bad friend, you know that, right?
You're a good friend, right?
You can't speak the truth when you're
good
supposed
friend, right?
to.
You're a good friend.
Tabia.
Every time you be supporting nonsense, you can't help your friend.
Annabelle, why are you blocking my way?
Because I've not heard any news. Mirabelle, it seems like you're underestimating what I can do when I'm angry. Don't let me unleash it on you. Do not.
Annabelle, please. I beg of you to understand that you are asking for the impossible. Besides, I'm the wrongest person you should be having this conversation with.
Oh, really? So now you want to back out? It's not going to work for you. You're not backing out now. You think all those little gossips, every gossip you've been telling my mother, it has been working for you. It has galvanized her to bringing me back to this house. And you're okay. Now, in that same vein, I want you to sway that decision as soon as possible.
Annabelle, I don't know anything about the decision making. Please.
Why are you lying? Why are you telling lies? My mother has spoken to you about me countless times and you will not deny it. Mirabelle, I am giving you 1 week to make me leave this house. Else, don't dare me. Do not try me.
Annabelle!
Do not try me. I got my eyes on you.
Take this, Mrs. Young.
Thank you, Ma.
Now, all of you are going to work in different categories with all amount of brilliant exhibition. You will not understand the ordeal I'm facing in the hands of my daughter. I realized that it's no longer an individual influence, rather, it's a collective effort now. Mrs. Ian.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll be traveling first thing tomorrow morning.
Okay.
My daughter is in your hands, which is why I gave you those keys. Now listen, on no circumstance should my daughter leave this house.
Yes, ma'am.
And you,
Mommy.
never will you allow my daughter pass through that gate and live in this premises. Hey, are we on the same page?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Good. Let me not return and hear that you people made mistakes, especially you. I will not listen to that. If you dare try it, then will you see the other side of me? And you will not like it. I promise you.
Yes.
Now, if there's any question, you're free to throw. If there's none, then you all can disperse.
Thank you, Ma.
Thank you, Ma. May God lead you safely to your destination, Ma.
Thank you, Mrs. Ayan.
Go to the kids.
Get out.
Mommy, how could you? How can you treat your own daughter as trash, like a slave? Why?
Now, if making you go through the pains you're making me go through right now, for you to regard me, believe me, I would do it. 131%. I will.
What are you talking about? Assigning your staff to hold me captive. It's not nice, Mom. It's not cool. It's bad. I mean, are they even better than I am? Your own blood, Mom. Your own blood.
Annabelle, I made promise to myself that I will no longer talk to you after our last conversation. But you listen to me. You are not, I repeat, you are not leaving this house till you have become a better version of yourself. I will not allow you go out Mommy, this is not fair now. This is so unfair. This is not fair. Why would you do that, Mom? Please. Let me find it. It's cold. Oh, shit.
If I go use hammer, knock up. No, say passive with my condition. You know they take life hot in a hurry. You knock up, quack. Oh yeah? Who you be? Oh, now woman, they knock this gate like say na welder. Huh? Hey, wait there. You see this compound? The way they look at like this is under restriction. No going in, no going out. If you enter inside, you know they come out again. No so problem. As you go outside, you know they enter. You want to be no problem. I said you know they enter inside, you say no problem.
Who are you to stop me? Common gate man will stop me from seeing my friend Annabelle. For what?
You say?
Oga, please.
Come, let me tell you something. Make I know unleash what in I carry for.
Oga, please.
I go destroy what in I worry you. So as you find like this, now fish brain, you know they hear something.
You're very stupid to use that word on me. Are you
me
okay?
Stupid.
Look
me
at
stupid. You don't die with this, though. You don't die with this.
Okay, carry your 1.5 leg and move out of my way. What's your problem?
Me 1.5 leg.
Yes, 1.5 leg.
What in this leg they do? You know if you do.
Oh yeah, stand well. Let me stand straight. Let me see.
No be straight and stand like this.
Look at you. You're deceiving yourself. You better get.
Okay. You know they go anywhere. What did they worry you? I said they go. Somebody they come inside this compound.
What is your problem?
What did they worry you? Huh?
Allow me to see my friend. What's your?
You get friend for here? They go. I said no. Don't
come close to
me. What did they worry you?
Don't come close.
I said come on.
Okay, what is it now?
Come on. Come on.
What is it?
What did they worry you?
Stop it!
Come on.
Don't come close.
Come on.
Oh yeah, move back.
They go. Come out. What did they worry you?
Come on. Sick now.
I said come out. What did they worry you? Idiot. Nonsense. I don't ship the bone. Hi! Madam, you just said this work you give me, I'm not going to die on top of him.
Okay, everybody. You're all welcome here. I invited everybody here because I want us to strike an agreement. About what? Don't worry now. We're all aware that my mother left you all, you people in charge over me, right? Which yes. I'm not complaining. I like it like that also. But now, what I want to do now is to give you people money so you people can allow me to go out.
Annabelle, you are not advising us to go against your mother's instructions, right?
This is Philomena Young. Calm down now. Calm down. Okay. My mother is not around. She's not here. I just want to go out. What else am I asking for? Am I killing anybody? I just want to go out. We can make full changes. You know how we can do it now. Eh?
Annabelle, you can't. You can't go out. We are not the only ones your mom assigned this duty to. What if people see you out there? It will definitely land all of us in big problems.
Calm down now. Calm down. I'm a girl like you. You're doing this to your fellow girl. Leave that one for me. I'm going to take care of it all. Okay? I'll take care of it. You don't need to worry. All I want both of you to do now is just to stand by me. Just to stand by me. And then leave everything for me. Yeah? Yeah? Okay. Okay. That's fine. I'm going to give you people money. Ouch. I'll give you people money. I'm going to give you 50,000 naira. 50k each. 50k each. Everybody. You people. It's not okay. Okay, 70k. Mrs. Young, 70k. Mirabel, you don't. 100,000 naira. 100k. 100,000 naira. 100,000 naira. Okay, 300k. Please just let me go out. 300,000. You don't want.
Annabelle, we are sorry. We are sorry. Okay. As it is now, no amount of money where you go give us will make us to disobey your mother's instructions. She don't tell us, say, make we not allow you come out these gates.
Okay.
And that's why you go take day. I never disobey your mama before.
Okay.
I don't come disobey him now again.
You're
now.
not disobeying.
I beg.
You're just helping me as your daughter. You're helping me as your friend.
And I make you sit down here. I make you look after you.
If it's you that they do this thing to, would you like it? Would you like it?
Like what?
I'm not a prisoner now. Okay, tell me how much you want. I'll give you people.
Mama. As the day now, I beg. I don't want to leave this place so now. Yeah, my life will finish.
Oh, no.
I'm not go anywhere. If I chop this 300 naira, where you offer me? What till I can't take my life do after 300?
I'll give you more. Anything you ask for, I'll give you.
I don't come out.
I'll give you more. Okay, tell me what you want now that will better your life. Mirabel, come here. At least do you want this hair? Do you want my wig? Mrs. Ian, come back now. I'm not done talking to you. Come back here. Mirabel, don't flood my orders. People should come back here. Oh. Hey, what am I going to do now? How will I do this thing? How will I do this thing? How can these people keep me here?
You're here. Annabelle is in your room and she's scattering the whole place. You need to come with me. Come, she's in your room. Hurry up.
I need the key! I need the key! Come back here!
I told you.
Come back here! I need the key! I need the key! Get me the key!
Annabelle,
I want to go out! I told you I want to go out! I need the key! Get me the key! Yeah, I will hit you! I will hit you! No! Nobody's going in! I need the key! Get me the key! Get me the key!
Annabelle.
Give me the key! Okay.
She's not.
You're not coming any close. You're not coming any close! I need the key!
Annabelle, can you calm down?
I'm calm.
You're calm.
I'm calm.
Let's go to the...
Yeah, no. You are not going inside. You're a liar, Mrs. Iya. You're a liar. Even you. Both of you are liars. You're not going inside. You're not going inside. I need the key. Get me the key. Tell me where to get it from. What did you... Oh! She should not walk. I saw your face. I saw your face. Come back here. Come back here! I said, what is wrong with you? I will kill you with my hands. I will kill you with my hands. Come back! Metu seller. Metu! Come please, hurry up. Hurry please, you need to open this gate. I have a test in 30 minutes.
Yes.
Madam.
Open it up, get the lock. I'm running late, why are you looking? Open the gate.
No be me hold the key. Now they want to try explain things. No be me hold the key. The key, they don't lock her.
Don't you work with any other person here that holds it?
Madam lock the whole key now. Because even with this one now, I'm giving you.
Really?
I am there with the whole key.
Why? Can I have a deal with you? Are you up for it?
Which can deal with that one? This is why they worry.
Don't worry, it's very simple. I'll give you 500,000 naira.
We the total.
You.
500,000 for it.
Let me explain. You devise a means, any means you can use to get the key from Iyang. Open up the gates and boom! Within a twinkle of an eye, you are a rich man.
Mama,
oh yes.
I just tell you.
Oh, yes.
If I don't open the gate, boom! You go give me 500.
Easy peasy.
Mama, not be me. You want to take practice? I will take the one person.
No, come on. I'm not. Come on, don't say that. I swear with my life, I will give you 500,000 naira. Just get the keys.
Oh, what did I do? Just to open gate 500,000.
Things like that can happen.
You serious?
I'm very serious. All right?
Madam.
I trust you, Metu. Just get the key from her.
Okay, don't worry. I can just go arrange. I know I want to get the key for you.
That's good. I'll be waiting, okay? Hurry up. I have to go to school.
Confirm.
Okay?
Small madam.
Yes.
Yes, madam. Madam, you're welcome.
Don't you know your job again? Huh?
What did I do you now? What did I do you?
I have been honking there for some moments now and you refuse to open the gates. Are you crazy?
No vex now. Now your mama sent me message. Now the message I go now. I know
You are meant to multitask. That's why you're here. And don't stop blabbing. Try this next time and you lose your job. Imbecile. Get out!
Oh, but only. The whole slap where you dey take the slap me so. Now your cup don't full so. Now me and you go day here. May they teach another student. You no go receive any letter today. What they go tell you? Nonsense. So they stress my sexy leg.
I'm asking you for the very last time, Mrs. Yang. Where is my phone? I need you to bring it now.
Annabelle, I am sorry. I will not give this phone to you until your mother returns.
What did you say? What did you say? I said give me my damn phone! Give me my phone. Oh yes, I did. And I'll do it more and more. And this is what you keep getting day after day. Get out. Oh, please don't give me that look. Leave my room. Okay, you want me to hit this on you? Get my phone! You're giving me that silly look. Something must work. Something must work. I'll keep doing this thing to these people until they get me out of this dungeon. How dare you barge into my room like that?
That is because we have had your stupidity up to our neck.
Are you crazy? Are you mad? How dare you speak to me in such way? Don't try this nonsense again.
Annabelle, there is more to life than this. Do not mistreat myself and Mrs. Yang just because we are trying to help you come out of this mess you're living in.
Oh, really? Did I ask for your advice and that of that old hag, Mrs. Yang? Can't you just mind your business? Huh?
Do not just expect advice from people only from your class. God can use people from other classes to advise you from this.
And stop shouting at me! Who are you? What do you know about me? Stay out of me and stop talking rubbish.
Annabelle, you're really biting more than you can chew. Annabelle!
And what will you do about it? Do you want to beat me? Okay, beat me! Beat me! Oh, be smart, oh. Be smart, Mirabelle. You can't do anything. I will make this house a hellhole for you and that old hag. Mark my words.
Annabelle.
Yes.
You're overstepping your boundaries. You are overstepping your boundaries, Annabelle.
Get out of my room.
Don't take us as fools, please.
Get out of my room. I don't want to do something drastic. Get out.
I don't blame you.
You should blame yourself. This is just the beginning.
Mrs. Yang, I am backing off. I am backing off. I am tired. I am tired of Annabelle. I have decided to let Annabelle have her way. Anything that concerns that girl, count me out.
You know they shout too much. You shout too much. That person house we did. Why you won't back off? You seen her back out, I'll be back off. You no good though. I know they get anywhere. I no get where I go. I hear they stay. Everything, anything, all the things when madam tell us make we dey do. Now madam face we go dey look. Make her happy. Do all the thing we make call us here to do for her. Eh? I don't dey mind that small girl. No mind am now. That small girl they worry am.
Are you serious? Are you not tired?
No.
You're not tired of the slaps, the insults? I'm tired. I've gotten it up to here. I am tired of Annabelle. Do you know that this girl slapped me?
You slapped me too.
And you're ready to stay?
What can I go do?
I'm tired.
That small girl na my hand dey burn am.
I am backing up. I'm tired of Annabelle. This is too much.
They shout. They shout. Na person house. Well, maybe your own slap na small, my own big. But still I go dey. The girl, small girl wey dey burn put for my hand. I carry am. Show am love. That's why I carry am until come spoil for my hand. And wey make I dey happy. I no dey happy.
What is the problem?
What is the problem? It's been 1 week since Annabelle left this house and none of you have said anything. Is it fair? Huh?
Oka, what do you want us to do?
Oh.
Our hands are tied in this situation. There is nothing we can do. I mean, how do you want us to change the mind of Annabelle's mom? You've been there, you've seen it. We can't do anything.
We care about her the same way you do.
Tokas, you lie. Okay? You think I don't know you're very happy that Annabelle is not here to restrict your movements? You have right to eat 10 times in a day. You can jump on the couch. Both of you becoming best of friends because Annabelle is not here to caution your movements. You think I don't know you're happy? Eh? Shouldn't we be thinking of how to go see her? Or find out if she's okay or not?
Were you not the same person who told us how you were driven out of the compound? You want us to make this always full effort going to see her? When you know full well that it will end in fertility, what is your problem?
Shh! Shut your trap! You call her mouth! Shut it! Auntie Gwegwegwe! Annabelle is our friend. We're supposed to be there for her. That's what friends do for friends. Okay? So don't sit here and talk nonsense. Wait. What did I just hear you call me? Okamaka. Don't you ever, I mean in your life, call me Okamaka. That name is special. Only my mom has the right and the liberty to call me Okamaka. My name is Uka.
Hi.
Hey.
I've been looking everywhere for you.
Oh, I've been here. What's up?
Okay. Well, nothing much. I've been having some difficulties with the topic that we were taught 3 days ago, so I just thought you could help me out.
Oh, that. Do you have it here?
Yeah.
Oh, let's see.
That's the textbook. Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
Sorry.
All right, this. So, where exactly do you have issues? Here.
Mm-hmm.
Why do you guys always have issues with solving X?
I don't know. Not everybody's as smart as you.
I think that's a compliment. Thank you. Alright, so I think I see X minus X. Do you know what X minus X is? 0.
Okay. Yeah, I know that now.
And I see X divided by X, 1. Okay, there you got this right. Now, every time you see X, I want you to note this. There's an invisible 1 before every X.
Okay.
Did you get that? Okay. So if you now have 4x times x squared, what do you have?
No
It's
idea.
simple. 4x squared is the same as 4 times 1.
Sorry.
Thank you. Alright, so just look at what I'm doing. Okay. 3 plus 3 equal 9. Are you listening?
You're beautiful.
Thank you. Can we just focus on why we're here?
Sure.
Plus 4.
Hey.
Hello.
Yeah, I'm looking for Lovette. I've been trying to call her, but her number is not connecting.
Love it. What is it to love it?
We're supposed to study together today. Perhaps she has forgotten, so I just thought to come remind her.
Can't you study alone? What do you need her company for?
I study alone, all right? I want her to expatiate on a theory that I find vaguely understood.
Impressive. You're so dumb. Like, you want to make Lovett your side tutor. For real.
She promised to help.
Okay. Just bundle yourself and get out of this place the same way you came.
Look, I do not appreciate people talking to me like that. I will not condone it.
Who cares?
What's your tone with me?
Uncle, I don't care. Get yourself out of this place. Nonsense.
So you mean say she put something for inside my drink yesterday?
Yeah, so that girl.
How could I be very careful for inside this house? That girl fit poison all of herself.
God forbid. She wouldn't try it.
That's why she come gate, come tell me say, make I open gate for her. Even promise to give me 500,000.
500,000.
Make I open gate for her. I tell her say, no hokey oh. That's how they wine and go this and wine and go this and that's how they play like football, like tennis. I tell her say, na Mrs. Inya 9 hold the key. I don't even answer. Now she even tired from herself.
Madam should just come back already because I am tired. I'm tired.
When you know say madam they come back?
2 days from now.
2 days from now? It's still foul.
Who could that be?
No man that girl. And that one short put where they like stone where David used kick Goliath where they put for catapult through.
Who is she?
He did they knock this gate inside. They tell her say nobody they enter inside this house. He tell me say he must enter. Say they find small madam. I tell her say madam say make nobody enter the house. He nearly fight me for here. Not no name where they get no call me. I don't know why these short girls, short people they get mouth.
She's looking for Annabelle.
Eh.
Open the gate for her now.
You say what it?
Go and open the gate.
No be me and you.
Just go.
I no fit disobey madam. Madam say make I no open gate to anybody. Nobody enter, nobody come out.
Just go and open the gate. Maybe she has news for Annabelle from school.
If anything happen for this company, now you go call.
Go and open the gate for her.
No be nice. Say go and open the gate for her. Oh, wow.
With your one leg.
With your two legs. I don't know why person go back there. You no go tire. Eh? I don't know why person go back there. From morning to night. You no go tire.
Now? Excuse me. Hello? Who is that girl?
You see the kind of person with you don't run enter inside. Now you know.
Wait, I'm coming.
No, if you like, you no come. If you like, no come. My own be say, if anything happen for that house, now you cause am. Now you cause am. I go, now you. Now me they go say I open the gate too. In fact, I no go die for now for this house.
How did the gate man let you in?
Immediately that man opened the gate, I just rushed inside.
Hmm? Why did that idiot always behave like that?
My dear, that question that you just asked, if you ask me, what am I going to ask? So what's up? How are you coping? How is everything?
How are you now? My dear.
Babe, I'm not fine now. Seriously, I'm not fine. Anytime I just raise a topic concerning you, you see Lovett and Dorcas, they will never budge. They will act like I'm not even talking to them. All they are interested in is their studies. Anytime I say something about Annabelle, they want to pick up a fight with me.
I just can't wait to leave this place. When I leave here and get back home, I will send those bastards away from my house. I can envisage how happy they will be at this moment.
I need to see how excited they are, because no one is there to stop them from climbing the couch or doing whatever they like to do.
My house. No problem. No problem. Oh, my dear, happiness, excitement is far from me in this place. So, like, I am just binded in this boredom, in this suffering, in this everything negative in this place. The only thing I'm just holding on to now is just memories, which evokes pleasurable moments in my head. Nothing else. But this place, I'm just locked up.
This is not fair. This treatment is not fair at all.
How are you saying it's not fair? You can imagine my mom, assigning that her old maid, Mrs. Young, and also that silly personal assistant of hers to keep watch over me. This is not nice now. It just spoils everything.
Are you serious?
You can imagine now, me, Annabelle. No problem. No problem.
This is not nice.
But you see, you know why I'm happy? I'm making this place a living nightmare for them. No one is sleeping.
No, Annabelle.
No one is sleeping.
No, calm down. I think that approach that you're using is not nice. Yes, you need to convince these people that you're a changed person. Get close to them, bother to talk to them. Make them see reasons with you that you're changed. That way they will believe you and trust that you're a changed person, and then they will not monitor you this way.
I'm tired of being nice. I'm taking another dimension now. I'm tired of being nice. I cannot. Meanwhile, do you hold anything, something for me to do?
No, I did not bring anything.
Please, they've locked me out of access to all those ones.
You need to stop it already. Stop it already. Okay, what if I brought something now and then they now see me giving it to you? They will now tell your mother that I've been the one trying to make you indulge in such thing. It's not fair.
That's not true. Nobody will catch you. Why didn't you bring something for me?
I brought something. But I won't give it to you here when we get to the room.
Hey, I trust you.
Annabelle, please. You have to go back before I can open the door for your friend. Please. Let's go back. Please. Wetin dey do this stupid boy now? Eh? Make you not back that door like that. No build guy house. Now you give me this space for me now. Eh? Anytime you dey home, you go just dey.
Ah, no! Oh, no! Oh, God! Oh, no, my leg! Ah! Oh! Leave me! Oh, hey, I'm dead. I don't die.
Shut up! Shut up! Where is the key now?
I don't die. Oh! No! Ah! Ah! No! Hey! Hey!
Mommy, please, I am so sorry. I didn't mean to hit her. Mom, please forgive me. I didn't do it intentionally. You have to believe me, please. Annabelle, pray that nothing happens to that woman. Before God and man, should anything happen to that woman, I will make sure you're off in jail.
Mom, no, you can't.
I mean it for what?
Mommy, please, I beg you. I didn't do it intentionally. Please, I beg you. Please, don't say that to me. I'm so sorry, please.
Now you tell me, what has sorry got to fix in this one? I'm asking you. That poor woman is on a sick bed with shreds of life in her. When all she has done is to see you improve for good. Right on this one, Annabelle. I will make sure you gave due consequences.
Mom, please, I beg you.
Now will you stay away from me?
Mom, I'm sorry, please. Mom, oh my God. So please, I'm very sorry for what I did to you. I'm so sorry. Please find a place in your heart to forgive me. Please, Metu, forgive me. I don't know what came over me, but please forgive me, please. I'm so sorry, Metu. Can I?
Don't touch me! Don't touch me! Don't touch me!
Okay,
Don't touch me! I go shout up!
No. Please, Metu, I'm so sorry. Please forgive me. Let me help you up.
Don't touch me!
Okay.
Don't touch me!
Okay.
Don't touch
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Please, I'm so sorry. Metu, I'm sorry. I'll not do it again. I'm sorry, please. Please forgive me. Metusela. I'm sorry for everything I've ever done to you. Please, I don't know the right words to use, but I'm so sorry. Forgive me. You've tried to show me love, give me advice, all the little efforts you've put in, but I let my bitter heart cover everything up. But right now, please, I'm so sorry. Forgive me. I just don't know what to say, but find a place in your heart to forgive me. I'm a changed person, please. Mommy, please help me. Tell her that I'm changed. I promise you all. Mirabelle, please help me, beg her, please. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry.
My daughter did the unimaginable. I mean, if not for God's grace, what would have become of me?
Madam, I won't beg you. Yeah? Hand of God dey inside this matter. God won't use your daughter to teach everybody lesson. Yeah? He won't take your daughter, make everything better for us. Yeah? So I beg, I beg. Allow her to go back school, go learn. Yeah? Make she go back school, go learn, so that I can take care of you. God now allow me to die so I can take care of you. My work never finished now. I still get plenty work to do here. That's why I no come die. So allow your daughter to go back to school, I beg. So that I can look after you, madam. Yeah?
Yes, ma. Please. Annabelle have learned her lessons.
Please. Now, Mrs. Inya, what if something bad had happened to you? I mean, do you think we'll be here talking about forgiveness?
Nothing bad happened, ma. Please, let Annabelle go back to school. She's missing a whole lot already. Please.
Yes, ma. She did correct. Nothing happened to me now. You see me, I still smile. I still dey happy. I did my madam house. This one na my life I dey live. Now my life ambition be to be there your house, they take care of you. Nothing happened to me. The thing where me and my sister Mirabelle dey beg say, allow your daughter Annabelle go back school. Yeah? So I can concentrate. I beg. Thank you. God bless you for me.
Excuse me! Are you okay? Are you mad? Who are you coming to greet? Huh? Are you mad? Oh. Oh, shit. I am sorry. Oh my God, what did I just do now? It didn't come out the right way. I'm just a little nervous. I'm so sorry. Please, God, I'm a changed person, and that's the truth.
Yes.
You all should believe me.
I know.
It's a process.
I know,
right?
I know.
I'm changed, honestly. I actually miss you so much. Please, come. I miss you so much. I really do miss you. I miss you so much. I'm so sorry, guys.
No, it's fine, I understand.
What did I just do?
It's okay, you're just tense. Go inside.
I hope they'll understand this.
They will.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. I'll get your bag, okay? You just go,
Yeah, please. God, what did I just do?
It's okay, it's reflex. It's okay.
It's a process.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, everybody. God.
It's okay. Have you guys seen it? No, have you seen it? You caused it. Whatever reaction it is that you're getting from Annabelle today, you both caused it. I asked you, and I did. I asked you too. I said, accompany me to go see Annabelle. You bluntly refused. So why are you surprised?
What did we do wrong?
Oh, what did you do wrong? It is too late to ask such questions. Excuse me. Excuse now.
I doubt if Annabelle has truly changed.
Mind you, I'm still here. So watch what you're saying.
Shai told you, see, sit down, see what the man is doing. Even the small boys don't give me high five. Don't worry, the instance no problem. This is... Okay, imagine. Okay, nice.
Why did you switch it off? This movie is very interesting now.
Annabelle, please turn it back on now. I've been waiting for this movie for the past 1 week.
Can you listen to yourself? You girls are here, watching TV, relaxing, forgetting that we have an assignment on Dawn. And this assignment will be marked as a test. And you all are here. Wait, what's so funny? Do I look like a comedian?
When
did I turn into a comedian?
You're so funny.
Because I'm taking the assignment seriously.
Assignment? Well, don't read our own assignment now. Long ago, like we finished doing our assignment.
How? Wait. You're done? How? I remember that we were cracking our brains on how to get the answer and we knew nothing, not even a thing. So how come are you girls done?
Anyway, Lovette helped us out. I mean, she explained it in such a way that it was easier to understand, even more than the lecturer's version.
Yes, actually, she did.
Really? What about mine? Why she didn't teach me, she didn't do anything. Why?
You were giving her a cold shoulder. I think you should try making friends with her instead.
Okay, I will act like I didn't hear what you said because I don't need to make friends with any miscreant before she can help me. Okay? She stays in my house. I feed her, like under my roof. So the least she can do to show appreciation is to do this. Where is she?
She just stepped out. She said she's going to tutor someone in school.
Oh no. Mine is on Dawn and she's out there helping someone out, an outsider. We need to go look for her. Let's go.
Get up! What's wrong with you? Let's go there. And you didn't tell me this. And you're relaxing here watching TV. And mine is on Dawn. Do you want me to fail?
So she's been the one. So she's been the reason he hasn't been giving me attention all this while. Oh my God, why me? Why is it that everything I long for is always snatched away from me? Why don't I have a happy ending? I never do. Why?
Annabelle, calm down. You're overreacting. I believe she's just tutoring him and nothing more.
Hey, shh. Keep quiet. Is she the only intelligent girl in our class?
I don't know.
Why does he have to be her that he chose to learn from? Are you okay?
Are you intelligent? Because I know, among the three of us, you are the dullest. The only thing you know how to do is eat.
Are you intelligent? Are you intelligent? Look at this one. Look at this one. Look at your face. Your body, everything shows that you're the most olodo in our class. Olodo rabat. Ojo jalo manje.
Hey, girls, stop! Stop it! Did you just say she leave you alone? Is that what you just said?
I didn't mean it that way.
It's not about you two, it's about me. I need to think straight. You can see I'm pissed.
Is everything okay? I could hear loud voices from outside.
What are you doing with my man? Don't even try to pick it, else I will dismantle your glasses. What are you doing with my man?
Sorry, I don't understand. What do you mean? What am I doing with your man? Which man?
Sammy.
Oh.
Yeah.
That? Sammy, you know him too? Well, what I mean is, we are not that close. He just helped me. He gave me a ride some time ago. We became friends, and today he asked me to help him out with his assignment. That's what I was doing with him.
Lying cheat. You know, you advised me to stay away from men and focus on my studies, right?
Yes.
Which I did. Now you're the same person running after men and frolicking with them. How nice.
Annabelle, I am not running after any man. And as for Sammy, I don't even see him that way. We are just friends. We just studied together.
Now listen to me. I don't care about all you have to say. But I warn you, stay away from my man. I met him first. I loved him first. And you are acting as a stumbling block to that affection. So I need you to stay away. A word is enough for the wise. I won't repeat myself again.
You know, son, the Bible says they have one evil spirit that follows them from time to time. Are you sure? Let's go this way. They are still magical.
Love it. Love it. Love it. What are you doing?
Well, I'm trying to make food. I'm really hungry.
Where? Where are you making the food? In the kitchen? Okay, let me sound this as a note of warning. I don't want to ever see you inside my kitchen. I'm already doing you a whole big favor by harboring you in this house. It's so huge for me. So you going into my kitchen, I don't want that. If you want to cook, you go out. If you want to eat, I don't even want you touching my food stuff. Nothing concerning the kitchen. I don't want you entering there, please. I wouldn't want it. And if you want to cook, don't even cook around this premises. You go out, like out of my premises. Have I made myself clear?
But I'm really...
Don't you utter a word. Turn off the gas right now.
Thank you very much, Nana. I really enjoyed the food.
You're welcome, my daughter. So how is school and studies?
Well, school is fine.
So the only problem you have is this girl that you're staying with?
Well, she's not really a problem to me. You know, all this rich kid. She has this... Her only issue is that she wants us to, listen to her and do things according to the way she wants. But I can handle her. I've been handling it. She's not really an issue to me.
So is that why she should deprive you of food? Food! Food!
Nana.
Oh.
Don't get yourself worked out about this. Look, I enjoyed eating your own food. So I don't mind coming here every time to eat from you.
You're just saying that to flatter me, Abby?
No, I'm not. Nana, you know you're the best cook in the whole wide world, right?
Okay.
I love your food, so I don't mind.
Okay.
Thank you for the food.
You're welcome, my daughter. You're welcome.
Ah, here you are. I've been waiting for you all day. You're welcome. Lovis, I'm really sorry. I'm sorry about what I said to you last night. It was totally uncalled for and actually childish. I'm sorry.
Annabelle, you don't have to apologize. I mean, this is your house. You're free to set your rules. Whatever rule you want to set, you can do it. I mean, we are living in your house. Your house.
Come on, come. Please sit. Come. Sit, please. Love it, please. I'm sorry, like I just said. Whatever I said last night, please do not take it to heart. You're free to cook and eat whenever you choose. This is actually your house too. So please feel comfortable. I'm really sorry. I need your help.
I knew it. What is it?
I'm so broke and my mother won't even send me my monthly allowance. Her reason being that I'm not serious with my education and her hands are off and all that. And for me to prove to her that I'm really serious, I have to pass. So please, I want you to please help me pass. I don't know what to do with this assignment that will be marked as a test. Please help me. Please, thank you.
I haven't said yes and you already given me the book.
Oh, okay. I thought you... I'm sorry, please.
Okay, I'll help.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Please let me know when you're done, okay?
Hello?
Huh?
Hi.
Yeah?
Are you leaving?
Yeah.
So, how are you supposed to learn?
Oh, okay. But...
Annabelle, you need to take this serious.
You won't understand, Lovett. I'm done with this bad headache. I can't even think straight. I can't listen. I can barely hear myself because my head is actually banging.
I cannot be doing your assignment for you every time. You need to...
Next time.
Why are you in school if you can't make out time to study?
I will learn next time, okay? Thank you so much. Thank you. Just help me, alright? I trust you. You won't understand if you were in my head now. You'll see that it's actually banging really bad. It's too bad. It's turning into a migraine. I'm so sorry. Thank you so much, my darling.
You're so lucky you're not my younger sister. I'd have taught you some manners. Oh God, help me.
What is wrong?
My phone is down. And it seems like my charger is spoiled. Because I plugged the phone all night, but it's still not powering on. My God. And I have really important calls to make.
Don't worry yourself. You charge it in the car. At least before we get to school, you'll have some power.
Which car?
Your car, of course. I thought she's going with us.
I don't understand. When did my car now turn into a charging spot? Have you ever seen me plug my phone to charge in that car? You want to run my battery down?
It's okay, Annabelle. Let's not fight over it, please. I'll just charge you when I get to school.
Listen, please. All of you should just comport yourselves, honestly. Stop making me shout like a mad woman. Please. You should know what to say.
Let's go, please. Nobody called you a mad woman.
Charge it in my car. Which car? Did you buy any car for me?
Hi.
Hi, what's going on? You two are here.
Annabelle, you didn't tell me we're coming to see him.
I don't understand. Is there any problem with that? Since you two claim that you have nothing to do with each other, why can't I stay for the meeting that has to do with class and school projects, right? Huh? No one is talking. Okay, let's sit. Come. I think I'll be needing something. Do you want anything? Waiter!
You should be so glad right now, right? Like you've accomplished your mission, you're so excited.
What is going on here?
I wasn't referring to you, so just stay out of this. You, despite my plea and generosity to you, this is how you pay me back? Huh?
What have I done again, Annabelle?
Take a look at this. Is this what you want me to show my mother to give me all I ask? Huh? Oh my God.
It is still a pass, isn't it?
A pass. But her mark is higher than I. Why? The questions are the same, but she gave me a different answer just to make me get a lesser mark. How cruel of you.
We all got lesser marks than her. You don't expect her to write everything word for word.
Oh, please, can you just stop defending her? It pisses me off. Stop it. Well, I can see that you're always on her side and me. That's fine. You, but rest assured that from this moment, you have nowhere to stay. You are homeless. I don't want to see you close to my house again, and I'm serious about it. Go look for somewhere else to stay. You're such a traitor. Get in the car.
Oh, you... Yes, they are. Oh, you thought I was joking? I said I don't want you anywhere close to my house. You feel you have brains to get whatever you want. Now use that same brains you have to get a place to stay. Get out!
What is going on here?
I don't want her close to my house. I don't want her here. I don't want her here anymore. Let her go.
Annabelle, you're taking this too far. And I don't like it. Where do you want her to go from here?
She can go to the moon for all I care. Let her go. I don't want her here.
And you? So what else for? You couldn't talk her out of this. Please, pick up your things. Pick up your things. I will talk to her. Don't worry. Okay? I will not allow her to throw you out.
There's no need, Dorcas. It is obvious she doesn't want me in her house.
Are you giving up just like that?
I'm not giving up, Dorcas. What would you have me do? Should I force her to change her mind? Dorcas, it's okay. You've really been a good friend to me. Thank you.
Oh no. Annabelle! Why are you so wicked and heartless? If nobody will tell you, I will tell you. How can you throw out a poor girl over such a trivial issue?
Wait, are you talking to me like this in my house?
I will talk to you anyhow I please. You can tell me how to. I don't care, but I will tell you the truth. What you did is wrong. For the fact that you are privileged to afford all this doesn't give you the right to step on others. And you, supporters club, always supporting her even when she's doing something wrong. A day will come when you will fall victim and no one will plead on your behalf.
You shut up your mouth. Look at how you're fuming like one expired fuel. Look at how you're fuming. Do you even have sense? Annabelle, can you hear her talk? She's even threatening me.
Don't say I didn't warn you.
Annabelle, for a moment, I regret stopping you from throwing that girl out of this house. Imagine the gods.
Come on, you need to be calm. Remember the dishes, the laundry. We need everywhere speak and span. Remember? If not, why would I allow one who is my mom's age living with us?
That one is loud.
Come on, we need everywhere speak and span. So let her have it just for today.
You mean she asked you out of the house just because she scored lesser than you in the test?
Exactly.
How petty can she be?
But I think there's something more which she has refused to voice out.
Really? Something like what?
Come on, Sammy. You and I know Annabelle has a very huge crush on you.
Well, I don't have the slightest crush on her or feelings for her.
That's not what's important now. I just want to go to my Nana's house. Can you just please drop me off at my Nana's house? I'll stay there from now. I'll leave from there and come to school until I get a place of my own.
That's not necessary. You can stay at mine, okay? I mean, check out the proximity from my place to school. It's closer. Yeah, you're welcome. You can come stay at mine.
Your place?
Yes. Look, it's better. Instead of wasting money on transport, it's better you come stay at my place. You can use that money for some other thing, you know? I don't know why I'm even asking. I'm not asking you, I'm telling you.
I need you to jot these things down. Tell Williams we'll be having a meeting with them by 10.
Okay. 10 a.m.
Then the Rotary Club by 12:45. The motherless. Oh my goodness. Please, I need you to get everything ready. We need to take bags of rice, salt, and beans. Do you have enough provisions?
No, ma.
We do not have.
Yes, ma.
So why didn't you remind me? Must I remind you of everything?
I'm sorry, ma.
No, please, I beg, you need to help me. Ma.
Get up.
I beg. I don't want to make my sister. I don't want to make my sister die. I beg now.
Get up, please. Get up.
Thank you.
Come and sit. Come, Mrs. Yang, please. Please.
I don't want to sit down.
Sit! Now, I need you to calm down. What's the matter?
My junior sister go hospital. Oh. Yes. They say they go open her belly, bring out appendix. And doctor say he go do a quick. Unless my sister go there, don't make it there.
No, she will not die.
Amen.
Now, how much will the operation cost?
Hey. My mouth no fit carry the mouth.
Oh, come
my mouth no fit talk about. Doctor say na. Doctor talk say na. He talk say na 150,000 naira. Like say the 100,000 you know do, you can put 50,000 on top.
Just 150,000?
Yes, ma'am.
Mrs. Inyang, you will not kill me. Your drama is much.
I'm not gonna kill you. You're my calling. I go kill person who I don't serve. I won't kill you.
We need to be fast now because of your sister. Annabelle, I need you to go to the hospital with Mrs. Inyang right away. Okay, ma'am. Tell the doctor that I said he should start the operation immediately. Okay. I'm going to pay for everything.
Ma'am,
please dry your tears. I don't want you to kneel. It's okay.
I don't sit again. I don't sit again,
yes,
madam.
Please.
Thank you.
Please get going.
Thank you.
Okay?
Oh.
I need you to dry your tears.
It's dry. Hey, mama.
Hello. How are you, daughter? Hope you're good. You need another money, 200,000? I thought I gave you money not quite long. What is all this? Annabelle, listen. I can't give out money now. I just transferred some money into Mrs. Inyang's account because of her sister's condition.
Really? So Inyang is more important than I am? Mom, I've been complaining to you for the past 1 week now that I'm broke. But you won't listen to me. You won't give me any money. Now Inyang has called you that I don't know who is sick and you want to send that money. So you don't care about me. Mom, it's not my fault. It is not my fault that you lost your first daughter before I was born. It's not my fault. So now you don't love me anymore because of that? You know what? Forget about it. Don't worry, don't give me any money. Don't send me any money. You can give Inyang for all I care. I'll sort myself out.
Annabelle!
No, she cares about Inyang now. She cares about only Inyang.
Oh, I was just about calling you. I went to your room and you weren't there. Can I sit?
You're still awake?
Yeah. Okay. I wanted us to study, so I came to your room, but you were not there. I was about to call you.
You're of God.
So, what are we doing today?
Well, I'm almost done. I want to go and sleep now. I mean, I've been here for like 6 hours. I thought maybe...
Whoa, okay. 6 hours, wow.
I'm sorry, but
You want to go?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright. Good night. Maybe we can study tomorrow, if that's okay by you.
Yeah.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Well. Woo! Look at her.
Look at yourself.
Isn't this the so serious and not running after men preacher?
She's the one.
Here we are. Look at you. I knew that you were a lousy pretender. I just needed a little time for your true colors to show, and here it is. Look at you. Look at you stealing my man from me. Love it.
Annabelle, which man? What are you talking about? Which man?
And you. I showed you all the green lights that you needed. I showed you genuine love. Actually, that I was so interested in you, but what did you do, Sammy? You followed this slug from the gutter, this riffraff.
Annabelle, what exactly is your problem? Haven't you humiliated her enough? She doesn't even stay in your house anymore, so what's your issue? Why don't you just go about embarrassing yourself?
Wow, now I am embarrassing myself, eh? I'm embarrassing myself.
No, let me talk to her.
I'm embarrassing myself.
Annabelle, nice one, nice.
Now, who is more embarrassed now? Tell me. Who? You see you. I will make life a living hell for you. See it. Watch and see. Shame on you, Sammy. Shame on you.
Are you going to hit her? Come now.
Shame on you.
Let's go. Shame.
It's okay.
Since when did you become a tout? That you go about constitute a nuisance in school, fighting a fellow student publicly over a man. Isn't that a shame? If the man chose another woman over you, must you harass? Must you fight? Just because of a man? Why? Why are you ruining my reputation? Why?
Reputation?
Of course.
Your reputation, that's all you care about, Mom. Do you ever care about how I feel? Do you ask me questions? Must I always be the one to let go? Right now, I will not let go, Mom. I'm going to fight, and I'll fight for what I feel is rightfully mine. I'm fighting.
You hear yourself? You should be ashamed of yourself, young lady. Are you there to fight over a man or to study? Now, if you're tired of schooling, why don't you let me know so that I will stop wasting my money on tuition fees? Of course! Then you can go about fighting over men, Dick, Harry, and Tom in the market. You need to grow up. It's a shame on your side.
Mrs. Ian, get me a glass of juice.
Annabelle, you mean your mother is also in support of Lovett?
Like, haven't you been listening to me all this while? Huh? I said that my mother said she'll never do anything for me until I apologize to that riff-raff Lovett.
So,
God.
Are you going to?
Over my dead body, I'd rather starve. I won't do that. On what grounds? A scoundrel.
So what are we going to do now?
That's the thing, that's the thing. I have a plan. Listen. Yes. This is what we're going to do.
Dorcas, you needed to have seen this yesterday. Like, this girl humiliated me. I mean, what have I done to this girl to deserve such hate? I don't stay in her house anymore. Why can't she just let me be?
I have always known Annabelle to be petty, but I never expected her to go this far. Look, for her to hate you this much is what I don't understand.
You're asking me now, who would I ask? I'm scared because I know Annabelle. I know how. I don't know how. She can go to any extent. I don't know what her next plan might be. She might even do something worse.
No, you don't have to be scared. Don't worry. I will talk to her and I'll make her see reasons. This madness has to stop. You don't have to be scared.
And you sound like she's going to listen to you.
Come on, she will. I will talk to her. She will listen.
Seriously, I'm scared. She will listen. I'm scared.
Annabelle, what is your problem? Why are you acting like a small kid? I mean, this girl has left your house. Why don't you leave her alone?
The next time you utter such rubbish, I will send you away from my house. No jokes.
It's all right.
Spokesman.
Hello, love it. Yes, love it, please just hold on and hear me out a little. I'm sorry, okay, I'm sorry. Annabelle has been calling and she feels really bad. Yeah, she regrets her action. She called severally, but you didn't take her call. She wanted to apologize. I'm sorry. I'm equally sorry. I took part in that. I'm sorry and I regret my actions too. Okay, she's saying that you should come over to the house tomorrow after lectures. We're sincerely sorry. Please don't sit down. Don't sound that way, please. I promise you, we're changed. Especially Annabelle. She really regrets her actions. Just come to the house tomorrow and we will apologize formally. She will apologize. Okay, thank you. Come. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. I'll tell her. Okay. Tell me what it is.
Cheers to our friendship. To new friendship. Come on, to new friends. Yeah. Okay. Can you please come with me? I want to have a word with you. Please feel comfortable, okay? If you want more wine, it's on the table. We'll be right back. Be at home. We'll be back. Okay?
The car is ready. We need to move the body into the trunk. Now.
Like now?
I'm waiting for what? Calm down. Take her in there with your mind to get rid of the body. Okay?
Are you sure this would work?
We have come this far. We need to finish up the work. Okay? You need to calm down. Let's do this now. Grab the leg. Grab the leg while I grab the hands. Now! Take it! Grab her legs!
Where is Annabelle? Where is Annabelle?
Why are you looking for me?
Oh.
Why?
Please, Annabelle. Lovett has been missing for a few days now. Do you know anything about her?
What sort of question is that? Do we look like kidnappers?
Or hired assassins that would just kill somebody and throw the body away?
You shut up. Let me handle this.
Please, you don't need to be defensive. I'm just asking because you've not complained about her for a few days now.
Well, let's just say that I decided to let her be.
I hope you're telling the truth.
What do you mean by you hope I'm telling the truth? Huh? Huh? Listen, if you have anything to say, you say it now.
Please, I'm not trying to start any quarrel this afternoon. I'll rest my case.
Look at her, always looking shabby and talking rubbish.
Annabelle.
What was that?
Are you sure this won't get back to us?
Shut up. Play your cards well. Play your cards well.
See the way she's asking questions as if she's...
Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Don't talk! You let me do the talking. What was the rubbish you just said there? Is that what you were asking? Shame on you. You're scared of who? This one. This one that hasn't even finished dressing up well and eating properly. You're scared of her. What if it were to be the policeman now? What would you do? Shut up!
Police.
You're so shameless, so I hope you know that.
Madam. Good afternoon, ma.
Yes.
Sorry, ma. I don't want to disturb you.
No, it's not a problem. What's the matter?
Madam, you know that my sister where you do operation for? That one we come out to the operation for Imbele.
What about her?
She come here. She say she won't use in hand. Come say thank you for all the things where you do for him. Both past, present, and future. You did everything. She said she won't come.
Mrs. Sayang. All right, where is she?
Come here. Come greet my madam.
Madam, good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Madam, say I'm
Madam.
here.
Basimbo. Madam, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Please forgive me, ma. I'm so sorry, ma. I'm sorry.
Waiting. Forgive me for waiting. Not be great to say you won't greet my madam.
I'm sorry. Nico, forgive me, ma. Forgive me.
Not great you won't greet her now. What if they say make I help you beg her? What will happen now? But my hand they clean. I don't know anything. I don't know anything. What will happen?
I offended you long time ago. Please, I'm sorry, ma. Please, I'm sorry. Ma.
Can you please speak and stop this drama?
Nami.
Now you do waiting.
I'm the one that stole your child.
Which baby?
A long time ago, a little.
Now you still am?
Beg her for me, beg her for me, beg her for me.
I said, are you?
I'm sorry. Madam, I'm sorry. Madam, I'm sorry, ma.
You are quiet! Enough. I don't care about all the dramas you've been displaying here. I don't care about what you just said. All I'm after now is you taking me to the evil people you gave my daughter. That's all.
The couple we don't die, but I know the nanny that's taking care of.
I have kept quiet for long. Now get out! Out! Will you get out?
It is, madam. What you know who do? What you know who do? Take us there! Take us there! Take us there! No question. Me, only me go do the work. Which? Go there. Which? Madam, take it easy. I go fight your battle. I go fight your war. I see there so. Now your war I go carry for it. I don't go leave your house. Which come?
Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God.
What is it?
God.
What is it? Have you gone crazy? What's the problem? What is it now?
Have you seen this?
What?
Have you seen this?
Give me. And so? Huh? Why is it surprising to you? People die every day.
Annabelle, can't you at least show some sympathy? Even if you're not in good terms with this girl. What is all this? I don't get it. I don't know you to be like this. Annabelle, at least you show some sympathy. Even if you're not in good terms with this girl, at least show some sympathy. I mean, this girl was living with us. Annabelle, I don't know you to be like this. Honestly, don't you think people would connect her death to you?
Will you shut up? Will you shut it? How dare you? And why is that? Why would they connect her death to me? Someone who is insignificant? Why would they? Huh? Okay, fine. If you want me to show some sympathy, just as you said, may her soul rest in peace. That's the only sympathetic prayer I can give now. Now, don't you ever in your life speak to me that way. Okay? Else I will send you out of my house. You will leave my place now. Silly. How dare you?
Look, don't try this nonsense next time. Don't try it, you heard her. Okay? What is it now? You almost made us jump out of our skin. Is she the first person to die? No, she's not. So the highest we can say to her is, rest in peace, love it. Don't try it though. Don't try it next time.
Don't you ever try it again. Okay? Else I will send you out of my house. You will leave my place right now.
That is the least you can do.
Oh, really? Okay, Dorcas, I need you to leave my apartment this minute. Get out! Go pack your filthy things and leave my place now. No, she has to leave. She said there's no problem now. She has to leave. No, she has to leave now. She's leaving this minute.
Annabelle, it has not gotten to the extent.
It has not gotten to it, but you can talk wildly, right?
Just go inside and wash the dishes. Clean everywhere. Else she'll throw your things out though. I'm just advising you now.
And why are you still staring? You want to leave now? Please. No.
Just go and do
I'm
it so
sick
she'll
of this. I am sick. I am sick of her annoying presence
so
here.
funny. Why is she even acting like a child?
Can you imagine? Why would she say that? Oh, it's all my fault. Harboring such a loafer.
There's the only picture of my daughter. The one I have. Please.
I cannot forget this beautiful face when I was employed to take care of her. She would always cry to see her mother. She got fond of me, and that is how we bonded.
So, madam, please, where is she at the moment?
When her adopted parents died, the family wanted to chase her away. That's how I took her in and took care of her. She worked day and night to see herself through secondary school. She just got admission into university now.
Thank goodness. Thank you, Lord. So where is she now? Where can I find her? What's the matter?
She has been missing for some days now.
What?
Yeah. And they just told me, they just got news that she's dead.
Oh, no! No! It's not true. Madam, no! Not true, not true. No! 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 It's not true. Madam, don't believe it. Don't believe it.
It's not true.
You cannot.
Finished. Hey!
Please,
So I've
madam.
lost this hope again. Hey, Jesus.
Madam, please. We will not lose her. Hi.
Oh, God.
Take a miss you. No cry. If you cry, I go cry pass.
Oh, no.
Wait.
No.
It's okay.
No.
Hi.
No.
What think will happen now? Huh?
No.
I'm sorry, but you deserve to know what a beautiful girl your daughter has grown into.
Hi. Madam, you find like you. Find too much. Just they like you. Yes. Nothing go do am. Nothing go do am.
No, she can't die.
Yes. No, I support you.
I can't lose her. I've lost her so much and I can't lose her now.
Amen.
No.
You no go lose am. You no go lose am, I pray. Hey. Oh, what you go do now? What you go do now?
You've been crying all day, Ma. It's not the end of the world. You still have Annabelle to think of. Please don't hurt yourself by overthinking this, please.
What hurt me most is that I saw my daughter. I couldn't even recognize she was mine. If only I knew she was my daughter, I would have brought her in and she wouldn't have died. Now she's dead and forgotten.
But you couldn't have known. How could you have known? Please don't be hard on yourself. Please.
Believe me, I felt it. The first time I met her, I felt it, believe me. Just that I couldn't tell what it was.
It's alright, Ma, please.
I don't think
Don't
I
be
can
hard
heal
on
from
yourself.
this heartbreak.
I'm sorry, Ma. I'm so sorry. Please, it's okay.
People are beginning to suspect us. I feel we should just come out clean and confess.
Come here. Come here. Are you nuts? Like, have you lost it totally? Confess to who? Oh my God, this girl, you want to put me into trouble. Do you think if you confess, they'll let us leave? They wouldn't, oh. We'll be behind bars.
Behind?
Yes, we will. And then what will you do? What happens to your schooling? What happens to your future? You want to let that go down the drain? Huh? Well, I'm just speaking for you because you know me. My mommy will come for me. Then what happens to you? What? What happened to you?
So, what do you suggest we do? Annabelle, didn't you notice the way people were staring at us in school? I am scared. I don't want to go to prison for a crime I did not commit. So, what do we do?
Wait. I don't understand. The crime you did not commit, how? We both killed her.
Annabelle, I did not kill her. No, I did not. Don't say that. It was all your idea. Like, you planned everything. You poisoned her drink. You brought the idea and then you asked me to execute it with you. So I did not kill her, Annabelle. It's you.
Yet you aided me by handing her the drink personally.
Annabelle, don't say that.
Have you seen now, my darling, that you are as guilty as I am? Think.
Oh my God. Annabelle, God, what have I done? What have I done? Annabelle.
Okay, stop, please. Just stop whining. Let me think. Okay, we need to stay low. We need to stay low for maybe, say, 1 week so that everything can just die down. Tomorrow, I'll be going back to my mommy's place. I'll stay there for a week and you should go to your parents. Stay there for a week. By then, I should be able to think about how to extricate us from this. Listen.
Okay, I will do as you said.
Good.
But please, Annabelle, can you do something fast?
Can you please stop whining and shaking? Don't put us in trouble. No, you want to put me in trouble. You're at bigger risk. My mommy is so rich.
Jesus.
She is wealthy. She's influential. She is known far and wide. So anything that comes up now, I know you'll help me. She'll help me out. She'll feed these law enforcement officers.
It's okay.
Okay?
Yes.
But you know you now.
I'll put myself
Your
together.
parents are in abject poverty, penury. You'll be behind bars. You need to think. Use your head now. Don't be a dummy.
Annabelle, I'm going to put myself together.
I'm not shaking. I'm not even in trouble.
God help me.
My mother got me.
God help me.
Hey, Mom. I'm here to stay for the week. How are you?
How dare you! Why did you kill the innocent girl? Answer me, why?
Which girl killed who? I don't know what you're talking about, Mom.
You sent her away from your house where she was safer. She left and died. Now tell me, did you not play a part in her death? I'm talking to you!
Dad, I don't know what you're talking about. You're freaking me out. Who's dead, Mom?
The long-lost daughter. Your elder sister is the roommate you drove away! No. I feel like killing you!
Oh my God, no.
I feel like strangling you so that I would leave Annette alone! Living with you is already useless!
No, it's
Oh!
No, this is not true. This is not true. Somebody dreamed.
Thanks for honoring my invitation. Do you want anything?
Okay. So tell me why you sent for me. I have somewhere I need to be.
Oh yeah, I'll go straight to the point. I'm sure you've heard the rumors making the rounds on campus about Loveth's death. Well, I'm the one spreading the rumor. Yeah. I found the body.
So, What does all of this have to do with me?
Well, I'll tell you. The man that found the body also saw those that tried to get rid of the body. He said there were two girls putting on masks.
Sorry. Please, don't raise your voice, okay? What is it you want from me? Okay, I'll tell you. It wasn't my plan. It was all Annabelle's idea. She poisoned Lover's drink and had me up her house. Sorry, please, I beg you in the name of God, help me. I don't want to go to prison, please. I beg you, please.
Well, for that to happen, I'll need your help. Annabelle will definitely try to pin this on you.
On me?
Yes, and you will go to jail. And you know that's very possible. She's a very wealthy home.
Yes, okay, please. I'm ready to do anything you want me to do. Please. Tell me, what do you want me to do?
I want you to convince Annabelle to confess to her crime.
Okay, is that all?
I'll take it from there.
Okay. Sammy, please, I promise you, I'm going to make sure Annabelle opens up and confess, please. Please, Sammy, please, I don't want to go to prison, please.
Just do what I've asked.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Sammy. God bless you.
Talk to us, we are your friends. You can always count on us.
Babe, if there is anything at all, you should rather open up so we see how we can go about it and what to do. Talk to me, please.
Hi.
Oh my God.
Okay. Shit. Okay.
I went to my mother's place yesterday so I could stay a week out of school. But on getting there, I learned that my mother has found the whereabouts of my long-lost elder sister.
Your long-lost elder sister? Wow, Annabelle, that's great news. You should be excited.
You should be excited. You should be happy that you finally get to meet your sister. So why are you sad about it? Come on, this is great news.
Because you all don't get it. Jesus. Jeez.
What are you not telling us? What is it?
Oh my God. Okay, my long-lost elder sister is oh my God. It's Lovett.
What?
Same Lovett who's been staying here. Same Lovett who's no more. The same Lovett who's been staying here with us. It's so despicable.
Annabelle. What? Are you... Did you say that? No, I can't take this.
Tell me, this is
wish. Yes, I really do.
What? Do you realize that it is your sister that you just murdered?
You shut it. Why can't you take your voice down? She might hear us. And why are you crying more than the bereaved? Do you think I don't know about it? Do you think I don't feel pain or regret my actions? Do you? But at this point, the deed has been done. And there's nothing, absolutely nothing I can do about it.
Annabelle, I need you to open up and confess so you can have your inner peace. That's it!
Inner peace? Listen, I have told you that you should keep quiet. Keep quiet, keep your mouth shut. We don't know about Lovett. We don't know about her whereabouts. She never left my house. You should know this. Do not speak to anyone. I've told you. Don't be dumb.
It is not that simple. The truth is already out.
What truth? Wait. Who have you been talking to? Okam. Who have you been talking to? I'm asking you. Who?
Well, I met with Sammy today. He said he knows where Lovett's body is. He even described the clothes that we wore that night. He said we should just admit that we're guilty and we're fine.
Wait. And what did you tell him? Did you admit? What did you tell him? Did you admit? Ha! Oh my God. Oh my God. Uka, you want to drag us into a big mess. What have you done? What if he tells the police? What if the police are on their way now?
Look, you're the reason we are where we are in the first place. Just admit now, confess, open up.
Oh my God, oh my God.
I don't know why you allow your jealousy to becloud you, that you went as far as murdering your own sister. Now look at how well you get playing the panicky game. I'm tired. Just open up already.
I know what you want to do. You want to drag me into your mess, right? You couldn't keep your mouth shut. Now you are drowning and you want me to drown with you, or rather you are drowning. You want me to sink in with you, but I wouldn't sink. I will not sink into your bottomless pit. I wouldn't. Why would you tell him that? Are you okay? Why are you always dumb? Don't you know anything? After all my warnings, you wouldn't listen. Now you want to drag me down? It's not going to work, oh. It will never work. I will never drown. I will never sink with you. How could you? Come on, Uka! I'm leaving this place.
You're not going anywhere.
Huh? I don't understand.
You're not going anywhere.
Leave my way. I'm going anywhere but here. Since you decided to run your mouth like a tap, I'll leave you here to suffer.
Okay, you want to leave me hanging, right?
Yes.
You want to leave me hanging here. We die here.
You and who?
Me and
you. I will hit this thing on your face. Leave my way now.
Leave
my way.
Look at this one.
Get out.
Because I asked you to open up.
Inspector Martins, you're under arrest for attempted murder. You have the right to remain silent because...
I attempted murder? What do you mean by that, officer? Oh my God!
Blood of Jesus!
Jesus! Oh my God!
Lovett!
Wait, what's happening?
Lovett!
Lovett, is this really you?
Don't make me apply force on you. Please move.
Is this really you?
So that girl is this evil. As far as trying to kill you?
She almost succeeded. All thanks to that hunter who came at night to check his late night traps. Like I would have been history.
Can you just imagine? Okay, what if that man didn't show up? Do you know the kind of stories we would have been telling now? Look, she cannot go scot-free. We have to get her arrested with the police. Like, I don't understand. Look at this now. This is nonsense now.
Sammy, what are you saying? We can't go to the police with just empty words. We need proof. I mean, you know Annabelle is from a very wealthy home and her parents are going to get her out even if we arrest her. So we really need proof.
You're right. I think I know what to do to get more proof.
What do you have in mind?
As it is now, everyone thinks you're dead. Alright, let's leave it that way. So that they don't come looking for you again. I know exactly what to do. Are you not cold? Don't you need to...
I think I need to cover up.
Officer, do your job.
Move, woman. Madam.
You never died.
She instigated me to.
You never died, love it.
Let's go.
Wait, everyone should please calm down. I didn't.
Officer, she instigated me to.
Let's go.
Love it, please.
Stop. I didn't do any.
Officer, she's the one that.
Stop calling me Oka. Stop calling me. Sorry, yeah, I'm.
Have I not told you to cancel all my appointments?
I'm sorry, ma. It's the DPO. He insisted on speaking to you.
Yes, DPO. What? What has she done this time around?
Mommy, please, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I let my emotions get a better part of me, but please, I am sorry, Mommy. Please forgive me. I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to do it. It wasn't on purpose. Please.
You tried to kill your sister.
Mommy, I didn't know she was my sister. I didn't know she's my sister, Mom.
Even at that, you tried to kill someone. The question is how? How did you get to the stage? How? I raised you up with so much love and affection. I tried as much as possible to provide everything for you not to lack anything on earth. Why? I'm sorry. I accept it. I admit that I talk about you missing sister. That's because she's missing. But I'm always there for you. I'm always with you. I provide everything. I don't even allow you to comfort. I will give you anything that you ask me. But why? Why did you become this evil and crafty to the extent? You wanted to kill and bury a human.
I'm sorry, Mommy. I'm a changed person now. I'm changed. I swear to God, I'm changed, Mom. Please. Forgive me. Please give me another chance, Mommy. Please, I'm sorry. Please, Mommy, I'm sorry. Just this once, Mommy. Just this once, please. I'm sorry. Please, just this once, please.
Very sorry. But you see this time, sweetheart, I will allow you face the consequences of your actions.
Mommy, no. Please don't leave me here. I beg you, Mommy. Please don't.
I will not lift a finger to help you in this case.
Mommy, please don't do this to me.
Face it alone.
Please don't do this to me. I swear I'm changed, Mom. I'm changed. I swear to God I'm changed, Mom. You will love me, but Mommy, please, I beg you, don't leave me here. I cannot stay here alone. I can't be here. I don't even know where I am, Mommy. Please, I beg you, forgive me. I swear I'm changed. I didn't know she's my sister. I didn't even know what came over me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, please. I'm sorry, please. Mommy, please, I'm sorry.
I will call them to take you away.
No, you can't do this to me. Mommy, please, don't leave me here. I cannot be here alone, please.
Madam, don't try for this in Pikin, no.
I tell you.
Madam, don't try for this in Pikin.
Don't be smart, you know.
Not when this Pikin go ask, when Madam no go fit give up. But just see as the Pikin just ye finish. See as the Pikin just ye finish. Hi!
And the worst thing be say, now Madam first Pikin, 91 kilo. Yes!
You serious?
She wanted to kill Madam's first child.
Why you go want to kill his sister now?
I know!
I mean, they know she don't want to make them share the property together.
What do they open mouth to the talk? No, what do they open your stupid mouth to the talk now?
How?
Eh? Waiting carry property, enter inside the thing what we dey discuss now. How property take enter inside this matter now? Yeah? You say your head correct.
Hello? I mean, no, say last, say you go insult me.
Why not go insult you?
You cannot do without insult.
Because you're a foolish boy. You're a stupid boy.
No be your family. Polo put this wahala for you. No be your family caused all this problem. No, your sister go thief Madam Pikin.
Huh? So you get mouth, open this to a useless mouth, they call my family. Say my sister thief Pikin. You dey craze one word for your head. Eh? Now I know say you are useless. I be think say as your brain no correct, say it's still there inside your head. But now I know say that brain don't come out outside your head.
No.
Head dey different, brain dey different.
My knee.
I think say me and you, I dey talk with person. I don't know say an animal where you be.
Yes.
As you take open mouth talk about my family, now madness na dey worry you.
Truth to bitter now.
Get away you. Which truth you know?
Truth to bitter.
Nonsense. May that truth kill you.
Truth to bitter.
Let that truth kill you, idiot.
Now your way now. I want to be my mama. Say they carry my mama make you come to do a house girl.
Hey, shut up your mouth, go there. Where your post? I say your post. Go, I go report you. What's in the fight for my area?
My leg
this
no good. Calm down.
Go your post. Go
my
your
leg no good. My leg no good.
I don't say no, but your mouth good.
You go good.
Come out here, my friend. If I enter my quarters, come back and I still find you here, you go see what I go do you. Stupid idiot.
I want to blame you. Nonsense. I want to blame you. You be my mama now. I don't fit talk to you anyhow. They don't fit bring better person make on to now, mama. If you say na maybe madam, I go catch that your sister. Go open cell by myself. Throw am inside, lock am with key. 20 years now I go there. Anytime you see another person picking way lost, now I go dey direct the picking say, see we on a house day, see we on a house day, see we on a house day. Ancestors. Philo, come keep person for me, oh. Come keep person for me, oh. Yeah.
Thank God. My God never sleeps. I'm so happy to see you that you're still alive. Oh.
God is wonderful, Nana.
God is good.
As you can see, I'm very much alive. All thanks to Sammy here. And the people who plot against me have all been arrested.
Thank you, my son. God will bless you and protect you. She came looking for you. She told me that she's been looking for you for a very long time. She was so pained when I told her the news of your death.
But Nana, how sure are you that she's my biological mother?
The pain and the tears were too real to be fake. Only a real mother will have that pain when she heard the news of the loss of her child.
Okay. Like, did she leave anything which we can use to contact her? Maybe her phone number or her address. Did she leave anything?
No.
And did she really believe I was dead?
Welcome, ma.
Thank you very much.
Please come in.
No, I don't have time for that.
Please, are you here to throw me out? Please don't throw me out. I don't have money. Please, just give me 1 week, ma. Please.
I haven't come to throw you away. As a matter of fact, you can stay as long as you want. Okay?
Okay, ma.
I'm here for you to do me a favor. As it is, you're the only one who can help me at the moment.
Please, I don't think I can help you, ma.
Of course you can. Hey, please. Where can I find my daughter?
You're here to plead for mercy. Do you know what I've been through in the hands of your daughter?
At least hear me out. Please, hear what I have to say. You're my daughter.
What did you say? What?
You're my long lost daughter. Believe me. Just take a look at you. Why don't you stand in the mirror and look at yourself? You will see that you are my carbon copy. Gosh.
Wait. Are you the one that went to Nana's house looking for me?
I have looked for you everywhere. I gave up when they told me you were dead. But when I heard that you're responsible for Annabelle's arrest, I started looking for you again. Here I am now, standing face to face with you.
Wait. If you're my mom, that means Annabelle is my sister.
Welcome to your house.
I have never seen a house as beautiful as this.
Ah. Then wait till you see your room.
I don't want to welcome.
Come.
Thank you.
Meet my first daughter.
Ew.
Her name is Lovett.
Ew. Small madam, you're welcome. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Ew.
Good afternoon, sir.
Ew. God be sir. God be sir. Madam, don't they look for you since? Even when they look for you, upon all the old trauma, madam see they do us well. Yeah. Yes. I know that as you don't come now, salary don't set. You go increase them.
Come, my dear.
Madam, thank you.
Let me take you inside.
Yeah, take them inside. This one a correct carbon copy of Madame. Madame carbon copy. Say to take even greet me, they call me sir. Oh, no, this nonsense sounds good when they insult me here. I don't know where Madame go carry that one. Whether I vomit am. Where do like say head no, where they slap me go here, slap me go here, like say I be tennis. I know say as Madame don't find the picking now, everywhere don't soft for this copper. My salary is short. Some have leg, but they cannot walk. Woo-hoo-hoo! Some can walk, but they have no leg. Phew! I have leg and I can walk.
Okay, Nana, I have to go with my mom now. I promise to always come back and see you.
Okay.
I promise to come back, yeah? I know you miss me. Don't miss me so much. You always come back and see me.
I'll miss you.
I'll miss you too, Nana.
Come on, Nana, stop.
You don't have to cry.
She will always come back. She will always be your daughter. In fact, I will visit with her. I promise.
I'll come back.
I'll miss you,
I'll miss you too, Nana.
Right.
Let's
go. Bye, Nana.
Bye. It's fine. I'll come. Always come. Take care of yourself, okay? Mom? Can I ask for a favor?
Of course. You know you can ask me for anything and I will give it to you. Just like Bible says, ask, it shall be given unto you. All right, what?
It's been 1 week since Annabelle was arrested. Mommy, don't you think it's high time she's released?
I don't think so. Just let her be. Let her stay there so she can learn her lesson.
But I'm pretty sure she has learned her lesson.
Oh no, she has not. You're wrong. I know your sister too well more than you do. So leave it.
But Mommy, I have forgiven her. I just want her around. It's really boring having to stay in this house, just me and you. I'm not saying that I'm not really comfortable with you, but I just want my sister around. Please.
Hi.
Oh, hi.
Okay, I'll leave you to now.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Wow.
Oh, hi.
I can see you're enjoying your new home.
Well, yes. And you're welcome.
Thank you. I just came to check on you.
Check on me.
Yeah.
With a book?
Well, you know, can I sit?
Why not? I mean, you can sit.
Thank you.
Welcome.
So good to see you. How have you been?
Well, I'm fine. And you?
Well, I'm good. Yeah. So you're studying?
Well, no, actually. I'm just trying to run up with the project.
Okay. Mind if I join?
Why not? I mean, it's been a while since we
Yeah.
studied together.
Yeah, it has.
Right? So, let's do it. So this is what I'm trying to... I have issues here because the last time I did it, I didn't get it right. So I've been trying to see if I can get this right.
Okay.
Have you seen this before?
What's that?
Binary numbers.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
You have an idea on how it works?
You tell me.
All right. So this is 10011010. It's binary. It's 2, right? Yeah, binary should be 2. Binary 2. We have 1, 0, 0, 1. 0, 0, 1. Can you see this? Hello?
Your mom, what what is she saying about Annabelle's arrest? What's she doing about it?
Well, my hands are tied. I've tried talking to her, but she's bent on allowing her stay there. Look, I don't feel alright because I feel like this whole thing I caused it.
What? Come on. Don't beat yourself up for that. She got what she deserved, alright? She committed a crime and she had to pay the price.
Sammy, she's my sister.
That doesn't make it right. Yeah. What if you had died? Look, I didn't mean to bring all that up. I just asked. So can we?
I understand. So, well, binary, I said binary was 2, right? So, 0, 1, 1, 1.
I love you, love it. I really do.
What? Well, I love you too. I love you too, Sammy.
You do? Really?
Yes.
Come here. God, I've been waiting to say this. You have no idea how long.
Hi.
Oh, good day, Ma.
Good day.
Hi, Mom.
Hi.
Mom, this is Sammy, this is my mom.
I'm pleased to meet you, Ma.
Same here. You're welcome.
Thank you.
He's Sammy, my cosmate.
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
All right.
My cosmate and...
Oh, come on, Lovette, come on. Don't be shy. Tell me what.
And my new boyfriend.
All right. All right, new boyfriend. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you, Ma.
Are you from where?
Ma? I'm from Okija in Anambra State.
Oh!
Yeah.
Okija.
Yes, Ma.
I know Okija very well. I have a friend that is from Okija.
Oh, okay.
Her name is Uzamaka. Wonderful woman from Okija Maka's family. Believe me, they are wonderful people.
Oh, yes. I know the Okijamaka family.
Oh, you know them?
Yeah, they're amazing people.
I know.
Yes, ma'am.
You're welcome once again. Please, sit. Make yourself comfortable. Why are you stingy? You haven't offered him anything.
Oh, I'll just go get something.
Just do that. I'll leave you two now,
All right.
okay?
Mom!
Yes. Annabelle, right?
Yes.
Oh, please.
Mommy. Mommy, please.
Please what?
Mommy, Mom, I know Annabelle wasn't a good child to you, but Mommy, you can't just abandon her there. She's my sister. Okay, Mommy, just do this for me.
Of course I know she's your sister, but she tried killing you. I can't do anything, believe me.
But I am willing to forgive her. In fact, I have forgiven her. You should forgive her as well. Mommy. Just consider her because of me. I promise to make her change. She's going to. Yes, I will talk to her. Please.
Love it, you are now playing politics and make believe me.